Qué triste suspiro, que cada noche los dos. Hi viewer, shout out. Good morning guys. Good morning, good morning. Moment guys ha. Where is my ano? It's not here. Hello to viewer, shout out. Hey viewer, shout out. Shout out. Oy, Pugal, you're very early. Hi, Pugal. How are you? Hello, friend. Good morning. Yeah, good morning, Pugal. How are you today? You're very early, ay. Just walking up, Pugal. I will go to take my breakfast. Thank you for the, for the tap. Double tap the screen. Yeah, 5 viewers, shout out, and 3 likes. A moment, please. I will, open the window because it's very dark here. Because it's early in the morning here, guys. Yeah. And Pugal, I'm good. How are you, Fran? I'm good as well, Pugal. Just waking up this morning. And I will go to take my breakfast. Uy, Shilo. Hi, Day. Good morning, Day. Hapon naman siguro dira. Tama ba? Hapon na ba dira, Shilo? Adi, sa. I will, kumusta ate? Okay ra, Day, Shilo. Bago pa kumata. Mukaon ko. Mana kakaon? You already eat, guys? You already eating, guys? Pugal. How about you, Pugal? Kumusta, ate? Yeah, magkuan sa kuday, magkaon. Tabi, tagod. Uy, alas 3 na, dira. Ay, ako di ang dugay. Di ba ako di... ako man ay dugay, kato kung udto ba dira. What is that, Pugal? When I double tap the screen, it's exiting the full screen view. Why? What happened that, Pugal? Maybe you need to, Pugal, restart your phone. Oo, human na. Unsay mo sudaan, Day? Hi, African Mom's World. Good morning. How are you doing? I'm good, ma'am. Actually, just waking up, ma'am, African Mom's World. And then I will take my breakfast. Yes. How about you, African Mom's World? Have you had your breakfast already? 7 viewers, shout out, and 5 likes. Thank you guys for the 5 likes. Read fully. What is it? Pugal, I read it. Yeah, you need to restart your phone, Pugal. Because when you double tap, the screen will exit. What is it? Yeah. Moment just guys because I will have my food, guys. Just for a moment, guys. What is it? I haven't taken my breakfast yet. Why, Ma'am? African Mom's World. What time is it now there? I think it's Because there it's ahead for 1 hour, right? What time is it now here? It's 9:15. I think there is 10 in the morning, right? Am I right, my African Mom's World? Agay, aray. Agay. Agay. It's 10:15. Yeah, you're ahead there for 1 hour here. What is that? Because I'm using PC, Fran. Ah, you didn't use your Ugan? You didn't use your phone? You are using PC? Just for a moment, please, ha? And Aswang, hi Aswang. How are you today, Aswang? What happened to you? Emilo, now India time is 12:45 p.m. Have you had your lunch, guys, in India? Because it's lunchtime. And Silo, naggulay law. Uy, kalami, ano day, kuan lagi day, kanang kangkong balami. Kangkong. Lami kayo. What are you preparing? African Mom's World, last night I cooked vegetables with, I put, what is it? Fish fillet. And then I didn't finish last night, so yeah, I had it here. And then I will eat bread. Maybe I will eat bread as well. And pagkalilo, di piyasong lakalami ana day silo bulad. Lami ana day uglaw oy kangkong sa day lami kay kangkong. Namoy kangkong tanom day. Lami sa kangkong oy. And Nick Hill, Nick Hill, magandang hapon po. Hi Nick Hill, taga saan ka? Where are you from? Thank you for coming, Nick Hill. And Pugal, hello Aswang. Yeah. Hello Pugal. How are you today, Aswang? What are you doing? Ang Nick Hill, thank you so much for coming here. Wala, pero nipalit man kagahapon, nipalit man mo gahapon, no? Kangkong. Butangan chorizo, day ba? Nami kayo. Nick Hill from India. Shout out, Nick. Thank you for coming. How old are you, Nick Hill? And Cielo Aswang. Oh, Aswang, Cielo, say hello to you. Lugaya mo bokal ani oy. Gutom na ko. Kumusta ka? I'm good. Oh, Nick Hill, you speak Tagalog, ha? Nice. I'm 27. I see. Are you working or you still studying? Nikhil from India. Hello, Cielo. And Cielo, Ripolyo daghan og picture lamian na day niya. Kuan day ba? Kanang baboy no, linat-an or baka, bukog lamia. Ripolyo butangan og kuan pichay. Ripolyo daghan og pichay ansa na? Alaw oy nimo gibutangan ninyo ripolyo og pichay ansa ba? And Pugal, okay Fran and Aswang, I'm office, I will come tonight live. Okay Pugal, take care there and have a lovely day Pugal, ha? Yeah, thank you Pugal. I'm working student. I see. So what is it? What grade are you now? What grade are you in, Nick Hill? And Aswang, Pugal, take care. Me also, what happened to you, Aswang? Why you're in the hospital? What happened, Aswang? What emoji thingy, Aswang? Yeah, sad life, Cielo. What happened? Yeah, what happened to you, Aswang? Oy, why you're in the hospital? Your tonsil? Aswang? What is it? Because last time you have tonsillitis. X-ray, what happened to? What X-ray? What is that? What did you do, ba? Yes, what did you do? Moment kaysa. I have banana. Moment guys. Okay, let's talk now. Aswang, what happened to you? My number has come. We'll explain it. Fracture? What is that? Yeah, what happened to you? Aswang, why you didn't tell? That's it, guys. Okay, take care, Aswang. Oh, my number has come. We'll explain it. What happened to Aswang? Last time Shilo, ano? Kuan siya, kitunsil. Silo, mga onta silo, dai. Guys, let's eat, guys. 5 viewers, let's eat. I eat my breakfast, guys. Poki Crush Gamer, hi! How are you today? Thank you for coming. Let's eat, Poki Crush Gamer. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. I ate my breakfast. Ronaldo Goat, hi! Where are you from? Thank you for coming, Ronaldo Goat. Where are you from? Guys, let's eat. Guys, I ate my breakfast, guys. Bread. I eat bread, Poki Crush Gamer. Ang silo, kaon, radiha. Kaon ako dayo. Gutom kay dayo. African Mom's Word, let's eat. An NBA Bingaloro job. Hi Didi, I'm Parta. How are you, Didi? Hi NBA, I'm good. Where are you from? Thank you for coming. Parta, your name? I like the live, Didi. Thank you, NBA Bingaloro job. Thank you. Let's eat, guys. I'm eating my breakfast. Hi, Parag. Just coming back from rehabilitation. What happened to you, Parag? DP is in the hospital. I don't know what happened to him. He had X-ray. Didi means elder sister. Yeah. Poki Crush Gamer in India, right? Kuripot. Hi, Leah. No Leah here. Kuripot. Leah is not here. Yeah, hello Parag. How are you? Guys, let's eat. I eat my breakfast, guys. Parag, let's eat. Parag and Kuripot. Nine viewers, shout out and eat like. Thank you, guys. Gutom ko. Tara, kaunta, Kuripot. Let's eat. The time here is 9 in the morning. Kuripot. Poki Crush Gamer, no. I'm Filipino. Kay Akash and Bhakti Vibes. I eat bread, banana, and this one. Yeah, I don't know, Parag, what happened to DP, but he come back later. He said it's her, torn. Moment, guys. I close the door, guys, because the bird and the door is very noisy. Why X-rays? That is why parag we didn't know yet. This is this aswang later. Nearby school, yeah, there is many nearby school here. Akash is crying. The parrot, Poki Flash Gamer, very noisy. Yeah, Pack the Pipes, you are right. I was asking about your mother tongue language, not nationality. Yeah, that is why Poki Crush Gamer, I speak Filipino. Because I'm from the Philippines, Poki Crush Gamer. My language and parang banana good for acidity. Yeah, you're right, parang. Kuripot, the aswang's layer got drippy tripati. Yeah, Kuripot, he is in the hospital right now. DP aswang. Bhakti Vibe, say friend, why don't you take parrot in frame, just keep in background? No, I cannot because the smell of the parrot pa. I don't like it. So I better here to eat in the kitchen. And Elizino official, hi family, hi Elizino, how are you today? Thank you for coming. Parag friend, how are you? I'm good, Parag. How about you, Parag? How are you? Anyway, just waking up, guys. I just waking up. Bhakti Bible, what type of bread is this? It's baguette. It's called baguette. It's very long bread. Justin, hello Justin, it's been a long time. How are you today? Thank you for coming, Justin. It's it. Filipino is the language. Yeah, okay, Crush Gamer. Filipino. My country is Philippines. But there is many dialect in the Philippines. But the main language is Filipino or Tagalog. Please subscribe. Thank you, Parag. Why are you eating only bread? I didn't eat only bread. I have banana and this one. Cookie Crush Gamer. Yes, Kuripot, where are you, Pook? Justin, how are you? I'm good. Justin, how about you? How are you today? Bhakti Vibe French bread like this? Yeah, that one. Baguette, Bhakti Vibes, that one. That kind of bread. Alice, hi Alice, how are you? And Kuripot from Australia, yes. I want to post another video. Yeah, you can post it, Alice. Show us. Oh, I remember you, Kuri. Ang Parag, Marius driver, another driver has arrived. Yeah, it's you, Parag. You told me about your Buddhist friend? Who, Poki Crush Gamer? What do you mean? And Alice, okay. Yeah, upload that, Alice, ha? Balagtasan. Hi, taga saan ka, Balagtasan? Taga Pilipinas ka, no? 11, thank you for the 11 likes, Balagtasan. That's it, guys. I eat my breakfast. Where are you from, Balagtasan? Are you from the Philippines? Shiloh, are you still there? Napakadira, Shiloh. Pinoy, but now in Guam. I see. Bisaya ka, Balagtasan? Tama ba? Bisaya ba ka? Linanisi, hi! How are you today, Linanisi? Kuripot, are you still there? Yeah, Poki Crush Gamer, Kuripot, it's like a ghost. Sometimes what is it? It's here, sometimes gone. Para guys from India, subscribe Cardo please at Chaliga. Cardo? Who is Cardo? Para what is that? What does it mean? Cardo. What does it mean para Cardo? The dog and the bird is very noisy. Cardo is to do. That's the meaning because Cardo in the Philippines parang it's a name. It's a boy name, it's a man name. The parrot and the dog, Pokemon Gamer. Very noisy, oy. If I open the window, guys, they are very noisy. Jeril Baldos. Hi, Jeril Baldos. Thank you. Taga saan ka, Jeril Baldos? Jeril Baldos. May may pinsan akong pangalan, Jeril. I have a cousin, guys. The name is Jeril. Parang, Fran, like you say, in Hindi kizuhay up. Similarly, in Bhojpuri, we say kaisan ba? What is it? What does it mean, kaisan ba? Anong parang? And Jeril Baldos, hello from Dumaguete po. Ay, shout out, Jeril Baldos from Dumaguete. Nagla-live ka ng Jeril Baldos, and what is it? Nag-upload ng videos, tama ba? Guys, you can support to Jeril Baldos, guys. She's Filipina, from the Philippines as well. Like Celo and Mariel, Jeril Baldos. Taga Cebu ako, Jeril, pero andito ako sa Espanya ngayon, Jeril Baldos. Ilang taon ka na, Jeril Baldos? Poki Crush Gamer, how are you? Is kaisan ba? So it means, how are you? Why? Is it the same? Paraga ako kizuhay up? What is it? Kaisan ba kizuhay up? It's the same? Poki Crush Gamer, he is Indian. Yeah, I see. Yeah, but is it the same to kizuhay up? What is it? Napadi si Silo din, kagikan day Silo. Kaon pa ko day. Si Mariel dugay to kay ngano, gabi dugay to na to si Mariel, ni apil to dire Silo. Tigdugay matog si Mariel oy alas 2 sa kadlaw na alas 3. Murag ungo. And parang yes, it is the same. Kaisan ba? Kizuhay up? I see. So namaste, kaisan ba? I think parang it's it's easy if I say kaisan ba than kizuhay up, because kaisan ba it's very easy to pronounce, kaisan ba. So namaste, kaisan ba? I'm going to study for SAT exam. Bye. Nice to meet you. Ojwal Bati, hello. Yeah. Take your time, and then good luck to your exam. Study hard. Ojwal Bati. Thank you for coming here. And Jerils, yes, nag-upload po ako. Hindi po nakipag-live kasi maliit pa yung nag-subscribe sa akin. Ay, hindi ka pa, Jeril, naka 50 subscriber. Tama ba? Kasi pag hindi ka pa naka 50, hindi ka makapag-live. And where am I now? Nawala ang wifi. Uy, sila makainomdom ko sa kuan. Kada trending ba? Gwapa kayo, artista. Yan ko, nawala ang wifi. Ay, silo. And as you friend, and parag, and silo, aswang, what happened to you, aswang? What happened, aswang? Tell us. Because we're worried here. And parang kaisan ba is will attract more Indians. Ay, namaste, kaisan ba? Hello DP, what happened bro? And si Jeril. What is it? Okay, taga Cebu, di ka, nice. Kabaw ka mag-Bisaya, Jeril? Bisaya, din si Jeril. Shilo, Bisaya, si Jeril sad. Jeril, Silo, taga Butuan. Taga Butuan siya si Jeril. And sabi, thank you Parag for supporting Jeril as well. Thank you Parag. And hindi po kasi bago pa ako. Ay, ganun ba? Lang Jeril dai upload lang jud niya. Kung maabot na ka sa kuan 50, mag-live ka. Para ako, badangan makailan mo. Ang silo aswang niya. Aubrey, hi Aubrey, you look better in the morning. Really? Hi Aubrey, how are you today? Thank you Aubrey. Ang silo. Aswang actually, my colleague told me to chase extra these colleges. Ow, I thought that aswang, we're worried about you ha, aswang. It's because of your college. Parang silo, you also need some. Yeah, you can sell to Shilo as well, guys, ha? Because maybe Shilo one day, she do vlogging as well. What happened to your forehead? What happened to my forehead? It's the same. Aubrey. Actually, Aubrey, I'm just waking up, Aubrey. I ate my breakfast. Let's eat, Aubrey. Ang aswang, like every student needs to have test. Is it aswang in the Philippines? No. Only the work. If you are hired for a job, you need test. Yeah. You need general test. The company will tell you need to have a laboratory test. Silo, thank you Parag, aswang. Parag na, sabi silo si Busa, thank you Parag. You're so kind Parag, very supportive. Thank you Parag. Silo, I thought something bad happened. Aswang yan, that is why Silo, we're worried. My aswang, we're worried about your aswang ha. My sublist is full of Filipina. Ay Parag. Thank you Parag, Anselo, thank you Parag. Yeah, Jirel, please help me para maka-live na ko. Gani pila naman imong bibis day. Jirel, pila na. And aswang Silo, thank you Silo because you're blessing me safe. Yes. And Parag, slowly I will also become Filipino as Fran became Indian. Yeah, I look like Indian na guys. Many from India guys thought that I am India. 13 pa. Dali na guys. Sige lang. Api lang ka og mga live dayo. Api lang. Bisag dili sa ako ba. Maapil ka para naay mo ko ani mo. Si Mariel, naami diri amiga sad si Mariel taga Cebu sad. Na restrict siya sa iyang live kay iyang anak man nagpakita. Bawal man. Nya mo to ari ra siya nakagiin na siya 500 kapin Jirel. Right guys, Mariel guys is restricted on her live and then she is here and then she gained ng 500 guys Parag, right? Aswang and the other Daishilo. Fran is Indian too guys, no confusion. From Kerala Parag or East. And aswang friend, the college also told us to blood test. They found cocaine in my body. Ha? What do you mean cocaine? Do you take cocaine, aswang? What happened to aswang? My goodness, do you aswang? And Kuya Arthur, hi! How are you today, Kuya Arthur? Salamat sa pagbisita. And aswang parang became a Filipino like me. We will do utso-utso together and spaghetti pababa, aswang. Uy, Mariel na, si Mariel. Hi everyone, good morning. Pariha ta day Mariel. Bago pa sa kumata. Mga onta Mariel. Alas 3, ingo bito si Silo, alas 3 na daw dira. Na Silo, na Mariel ay. Jirel, are you still there? Napa ka dira, Jirel? Mariel, natay amiga bago. Bisaya gyapon si Jirel. Mariel, dilo, attendance check. Attendance check. And Parag, by the way, let me tell you the truth. I opened Silobusa channel. I thought she is also Indian. And she is the United States of India. Yeah, because Silo, guys, is it's like a Chinese, like that, right? The eyes. And also Mariel, the eyes is like this as well. A little like this. But Mariel is very, white. Me and Silo, are you white, Day? Puti ba ka, Day? Ako dili, ang butoy, dili siguro ko puti. And as for present ma'am, hi Mariel. Hello Mariel, parang good morning. And Kuya Arthur, assignment lugar ma'am. Assignment, unsa man na Kuya Arthur? Na kay assignment unsa ba? Unsa Kuya Arthur? And Cielo ay Ate Mariel. Yeah, and Mariel, oh, welcome new viewer. Doy Jerel pwede mo mag-connect ni ano day ay Mariel Usilo day. Na. Thank you sa pag-welcome po. Oh, welcome jud tanan dire day kung mo appeal. Mga new viewers ba? Sadya man dire day magkatawa mi bisag dili kayo mi daghan. Usay managhan usay mo usay gamay ra pero magsay mi katawa dire. And Mariel, hello guys, hello morning. And aswang yeah, Silo looks Indian. Silo, what do you think? I can give you Indian citizen if you give you citizen, Indian citizen ko no dahil Silo. Parag, I have gift for you, Mariel. Oh. Parag is very sweet. And Mariel, hello Jerel, taga-asa ka. Pwede mo magkuan ha? Jerel and Silo and Mariel magkunik mo. Hello Mariel, how are you? And Aswang, you will fly all over India with Aswang. And Kuya Arthur, asahi mong lugar ma'am. Kuya Arthur, taga Cebu, mangko, Kuya Arthur. Pero, na ako dali sa Spain, Kuya Arthur, karon. Kuya Arthur, pwede ni mo kung anon sila, mga Bisaya po na, si Mariel, si Silo, o si Jerel. Mga Bisaya na sila. And Aswang, Maria, how are you today guys? What's our topics today videos? Guys, na nagpapadayo, Mariel. Na parang, what is the topic? Parang, Mariel asked. And Aswang, Mariel, how is George? Si George, bagwapo kay mo anak niya eh. Welcome my viewers to it guys. Kaya mga onday ta Mariel. Kaon ko Mariel oy. Why Duterte was good? Nice video friend. Yeah, Aswang. That's the Aswang that I send you. Aswang Shelo, yes, you look Indian Pinay. And Jerel Byers. Sige day, Jerel. Amping day ha. Salamat sa pagbisita. And Mariel George is still sleeping. Aswang, thank you for asking. Aswang Georgie wants to meet you guys someday. Yeah, that is why. Cute kay mo anak Mariel. Ako ano na be. Gapil-apil na sad ko. Gani, na Jerel. Hello Kuya Arthur the Great. Arthur the Great. Topic. What are you eating sis? Nagpaan ra ko Mariel. Paan niya, saging, o kani ay. Gabi man niya, kung giinit. Wala ko nahurot ba? Nagluto ko gabi wala ko nahurot. Nga ako giinit karong buntag. Murag enjoy kayo ka sa imong meal diha. Ang pan, gahi na kay dili naman ni sa bago, gahapon man ni. Na, si Silio, nakakitaan yan. Naabit ako kagahapon. Di ba malina ang kagahapon? Kita mo ka pagpalit ako ani. Winston, hi. A moment. It's very itchy my throat. Guys, a moment. I will drink water. Ay, very itchy my throat. My goodness. Winston, how are you? Winston, sis panganak na diha. Unsa pa panganak, mapatay kuan Mariel. Kita uyab Mariel. Sobrang gapon Mariel. Ay, katulan nun akong tutunlan. Ang pan ba, nakuan sa akong tutunlan. The bread, guys, is in my throat. My goodness. Hi, Winston. How are you today, Winston? Don't speak. It's a song, parang don't speak. Yeah, I'm fine, Winston. Don't worry. I'm fine, guys. It's okay. Mariel, kaon sa sisi basi matukan ka lisod na. Nice. Swallow it and then you speak. No, parang it's because the kuan ba the bread is dry and then when I it goes to my throat can be dangerous. What is that? Parang yeah, I'm good. Parang don't worry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, parang thank you, guys. And Mariel, don't forget to double tap the screen, guys. Yeah, salamat, Mariel. Winston, thank you, friend. I'm very good. How is your day going? Early morning there. A moment, Kesa, because my throat is very itchy. And Mariel, I know, Winston. Yeah, it's morning here, Winston. The time here is 9:47. And Mariel, what time is there now, guys? Dire Mariel, ko alas 9 ko nintay city, nahapit na alas 10. Diya, alas 3 to no? Ingon to si Silo, alas 3 ko no. Hapit na dira, alas 4, tama ba? Is it right, Mariel? The time there is nearly 4. Where is the other? Parang, I can imagine the environment of the Philippines. Filipinas don't feel jealousy and envy each other. You're in India, you will hardly find a girl supportive another girl. Na parang, there is many Filipino, jealous and marites, di ba, Mariel? There's many gossip, parang people in the Philippines. But about what is it? You will hardly find a girl supportive to another girl. Yeah, we're very friendly, parang, but there is many as well, people jealous and gossiping. Oh, there is parang. Ask Mariel. It's real. And Ernst Pinoy, kababayan. Hello, shout out this from New Zealand. Kabayan, hello, shout out Ernst Pinoy from New Zealand. Thank you. You've been here before, di ba? Andito ka dati, Ernst Pinoy, nakakala kita. Salamat sa pagbisita. Kumusta? Ernst Pinoy, si Mariel andito, Filipino din yan. Pwede kayo mag-connect. And Winston, mine, 11:47. So have you had your lunch, Winston? Because it's 11. I know, soon, right? Your lunch? And parang, oh, I see, Mariel. Oh, really, parang her some jealous issue too, but not all. Yeah, not all, guys, but some. There is, guys, we are kind of supportive and very friendly, the Filipino, yes. I think in India, there is many like that. Really? I think it depends on ang panghatag imong gikaon na Bisaya ni Sir Ernst. Dali Ernst, mga on-time. Ernst, si Mariel Bisaya na, si Cielo Bisaya sad. Pwede mo mag-connect. Some are insecure. Yeah, you are right, Mariel. Even relatives, parang here, some relatives like that as well. Yeah. And Cielo. And Mariel, is it normal here, parag? And I guess all over the world too. Yeah, even here, but not so many, here. But I saw as well, there is here as well gossiping. But you cannot see people here, the neighbor, something like that, they are gossiping outside. No. Only the for example, you have a friend and then, yeah, you go there and then they are gossiping as well. Here in India, girls are all time gossip and they enjoy hardships and their own friends. Really? Dagan di marites sa India, Mariel. Mandawi ko, taga Mandawi. Uy, Ernst, dool mo ni Mariel. Taga Lapu-Lapu mo si Mariel. Ikaw, taga Mandawi. Asa sa Mandawi, Ernst, Pinoy. Asa inyo sa Dawi. And Mariel, hello mga hello yan. How's life in abroad guys? You guys Bisaya here from Lapu-Lapu City. Yeah, taga Bisaya. Mga on data earns. Earns mga on ta nagkaon kog pan. Nakani ako giluto gabi ako giinit og saging. Such toxic girls, very high. I can see you guys have strong character. Here many of you girls are constructive, supportive. Here parag many Filipino helping each other, especially here in abroad. Yeah, we help each other, but there is some just like they are all here. Yeah, they are hi, they didn't say hello, something like that. But yeah, mostly very friendly. The relatives here are real toxic. Labugon ko, Fran. Mariel, taga Labugon daw siya. Doon ra na sa inyo, Mariel Ernst Pinoy. Taga Labugon daw siya, Mandawi. Asa na dapit, Ernst Pinoy. Doon na sa, si tawag kana mall dapit sa sa may si Budok unsa ginadira diha dapit inyo Ernst. Dapit sa may si Budok ba nga mall unsa ganina nakalimot ko. And parag yes, you guys help each other. Yeah, parag we're very supportive guys. Ay parag Maria, like in Varsha's live too, you will hardly see any women. Why? Who is the parag the viewers there? Mostly men. What is it? And Ernst, dool ra kadira unsa gini na nga mall? Ernst unsa na nga mall dira Ernst? Dool si Budok unsa na kalimot. Kalimot man ko unsa na siya nga mall Pwede man gani na ang iro nimo mas makasud no. Ang iro dira sa mall ba unsa gani nga mall nakalimot man ko. Na ambot and Mariel, what is it parag but very nice there. Yeah, yes parag you are fellow Cebuanos, we have to help each other. Yeah, especially parag Bisaya na we help each other parag. Yes, because there were all the men. Most of her viewers is from is men. I see. Why parag? Why no women there? What happened parag? Eight viewers shout out and 14 likes. Doon ra sunod sa Paknaan, Labugon. Oh, Park Mall. Park Mall kay Mariel. Oy, tama ka. Oh, di na dapit Ernst, Park Mall inyo ha. Sa Park Mall day, oy. Si Mariel taga Lapu-Lapu na Mariel. Ako Ernst taga taga Bulacau, Pardo. Pero nagpuyo mi sa Katmon. Pero taga kuan jud mi, Bulacau, Pardo. So kung adto mi sa Katmon, moagi mi dira sa Park Mall. Sakay bus. And parag I don't see women friendly to each other here mostly. Really, parag, but here, why here in this chat, I have many Indian women, friend. They're so good, parag. Like Alana Dipti, who is that? Ma'am Sheila Basso. Yeah, the others too. Parag. Oh, really, parag? What if Filipinos going there, parag? Hey friend, the report came out good. The doctor said, Aswang, you can fly anytime. Oh, that is nice. It's a good Aswang, the result. It's a what is it? It's a good news, Aswang. Congratulations. Yeah, they don't talk to each other here too. Why? And Mariel, are Indian women friendly to tourists? No. Really, para, but why they are good here? Sonali, they are from India, right? Sonali, um, Dipti is from India. I remember she said that if you go here, sister, I will give you sari dress. I want you to wear the sari dress. She said, Dipti, Parag. And Kalpana is from India too as well, right? Miss Yongmo is from India. And as one friend, actually Indian women talk to each other really good, but inside they are jealous to each other. Ay, is it aswang? Ala day, kuyawa day, masuyaan. Ay, Marian, masuyaan ta dito, kuyawa day, anin. Ladagan di masuyaon India day. Hey, aswang. I remember that Sis TB says that her neighbor is like that, right? It's an Indian women, right? Aswang, do you remember? And then they do black magic. Aswang, I remember what Sis TB says that her neighbor, and then she do black magic. My goodness. And but yeah, Parag knows better. Parag was many Indian women. I never had any girlfriend, but I know. I see. Ibrahim Mohammed Kano. Good morning to everyone in this platform from Ibrahim Mohammed Kano from Sierra Leone, West Africa. Hi, Ibrahim from West Africa, Sierra Leone. Shout out to you and thank you for coming here. Ibrahim, how are you today? I know you. You've been here before, Ibrahim. I know you. How are you? And Aswang, what's in the Philippines? Is it Saint Fran? Do you remember you told your friend? She didn't call you to her birthday. Yeah, Aswang, but my friend, it's very young age. We are only 7 years old at the time or 6 years old. Actually, the Filipino woman, Aswang, not like that. They are jealous to each other. Some ha, but not all. Yeah, many good Filipino women, not like that. Yeah, what is it? Are you single since birth, Parag? Mariel ay. And Parag, yes. Wow, amazing. Oy, Mariel ko ano si Parag, Mariel ka ng virgin. And also, Aswang Mariel ay. Mariel, yes, may single like Parag lifetime. Yes, I mean, wow, you guys are young. It's still good to stay single. Yes, you are right, Mariel. And yes, I am seriously thinking about foreigner girls as toxicity is increasing day by day. Aswang Mariel. Oh, okay, that's nice to hear, Fran. Yeah, Aswang. Yes, I am still and I can get bet DP is also. Wow, sana all. Ay, katawa mata ninyo eh. Di ba dahil naman si masuya o dahil pero dili man pala sa ila siguro no nga anak masuya ka sa kuan may lang ka sa singa na sa tubangan. Katawan na. Mariel, but it's easy to find a girlfriend there. Is it your choice not to have girlfriend? Ingon sila day, Mariel. If you didn't find a girl, their parents should find a girl for you. Ingon sila day na, aswang ay. Right, aswang, you said that if you cannot find a woman, your parents will find for you, right? And having a arranged marriage, right? Raglit struggle to Philippines, ano mo ba? DP will tell. Very drama queen like Alice. Yeah, Alice is very no as well because Alice is a little girl. Alice as well is a little girl. Parag and me tired of Indian girls. What about Philippines? Is it easy to find? You must try as well because there is many Indian men marry a Filipina. Ask Mariel. Buang man Mariel oy. Mariel. Mariel, you're very naughty. Don't give such ideas. Being a girlfriend, like torture here, drama, and always support to real relationship. Merinda po tayo, Nodos. Hi, Laila de la Cruz. Kumusta ka? Kain tayo. Ay, kumain ako ng breakfast. Parang I understand your pain. And now I understand why you go to PUB a lot. My goodness. Yeah, Mariel, you're right. No girlfriend, no problem. Just enjoy your life. Yeah, all of us are single. Moment guys, I finished now guys. I need to drink water guys. You're right. You have a peace of mind. Oh, see, yes. If you are single, you have a peace of mind. Correct. Si Silo, nawa na si Silo. Asa na ka to si Silo? Mahugas ako plato. I will clean the guys, the plates, but we can talk guys a moment. 8 viewers, shout out, and 14 likes. Thank you guys. Just for a moment guys. Naam de Silo dira oy namin na. Abi na ko nawa nakadira dai Silo. Na de kaday. What it is, I see vloggers lots of Filipina married to Indian. Oh, na see guys, paragan and what is it oy? An aswang na. So I am right? I told you that there's many Filipina marry Indian. Many Filipina marry Indian men here in the Philippines. Mariel O'Reilly, I heard they are called Bombay couple. Bombay? Mina Rakwati, si Cielo. Mariel O'Reilly, I heard sila. Parag, Ana Maria creates namaste. Ay, there is. Hugas ko plato. Kumusta mo dira? Also here in Lapu-Lapu, I know two couples married Indian. Ay day na kasilingan dira, Mariel. I will be interviewing them in the next weeks. Yes. Sige day, ikuan daghan ka viewers day from India, i-share na ni Parag ug ni Aswang. Hoy, Parag, an Aswang, if Mariel will interview this couple, you share the video ha? Parag an Aswang? Oh, Mariel have a friend. They are couple. The man is Indian. What is it? Excited for the video. Yes. And Silo. Si Silo, song, Ana Maria, Ma'am, I am a swam, but please don't fear me. I am good as swam. Please don't bring salt water to remove it. Buang may sa swam ma. Uy, awa siya swam. Moment guys. Yeah, we'll see that video and we'll learn tips. Silo. Si Silo, nakatawa. And Mariel, you are very social girl, very nice. Sa'yo, magikaon, Mariel. Nagkaon na si Mariel dahil Silo. They are very sweet couple, Aswang and Parag. They have kids also together. Sige day, i-interview day kay para daghan ka viewers, i-share na ni Parag ug ni Kisana. Dili lang kay sila, daghan bi India diri ba? I-share. Uy, Mariel, apil gani sa akong kuan anang unsa gini na group. Para kung naa kay video imo i-share dito kay ang mga tao dito daghan dito from India. Oh, sa group pa sa Instagram. Salamat ate. Ya, unsa na? Ika day silo nikaon naman kano, nikaon na day silo. Marie lumpia at sa boses kalami anay lumpia. Kain tayo. Nami sige kaon ra babusog ha. And Aswahi Marie, what are you talking about? You are very naughty lady. Sige sisihan ko sa group. Wala ko kabaw sa Instagram. Na-link dira Instagram. I-click lang niya. Join. Or ano ba, i-follow ko para i-add ka dito. Unya pa ni hapon. Unsa na oras dira? Unsa imo sudan day Silo? Salamat sis. Silo, see, there are many Indian Filipino couple in the Philippines. So what do you think, Silo? Should I book tickets to Mindanao then? And Barag and Philippines are hardworking too. If you're say to do some work, they will literally kill you. What is it, Parag? Bitter Parag, you have what is it, online job. Yeah, so that wherever you are, you can work. Yeah. But you can work in the Philippines, Parag, what is it, call center? Because I remember we have a neighbor. We have a neighbor before na. Ask my mom. We have a neighbor and then her husband was is Indian, and then her husband is working in the BPO company, call center, the Philippines. Di ba si Willa mano, anak Lydia, di ba iyang bana India? Sakto ba ma? Si Willa anak ni Lydia, iyang bana India. Aswang, you study first. Uy. Uy, Aswang, Silo said you need to study first before you visit. Katawa ko nimo dayoy. It's in Lapu-Lapu City, we are coming. Ay, katawa mo ninyo dayoy. Yes, let's meet then. Gani Silo roasted Aswang hand. You are more harsh than parts Diwata. The city. Uy, Diwata is very rich now. Aswang. Many business. Paris Diwata ba? Devanshi Sharma, hi friend, long time. Yeah, it's been a long time. How are you today, Devanshi Sharma? Thank you for coming. Where have you been? It's been a long time. And Parag, yeah, DPS Silo, cook you. Ay, you're very funny guys, oy. Asuwangan, ano, Parag, Silo, and Mariel. Moment kasi, I clean this first guys, so that we can properly talking. Hello, it viewers. Yeah, hello, it viewers. Diban, are you still there? How are you today, Diban? It's been a long time. Busog na ko sis, inom tako. Haya. Uy, Mariel, si Parag, addict naman na sa ano, soft drinks na. Parag, Parag, you like Coke, right? Soft drinks. Init tayo. Gani kayo dire, oh. Samot na dira. Busog na ko. Haya, busog naman. Lami kay musudaan kay lumpia. Lami sa lumpia. Si Silo sa rin, lami sa kay sudaan. Sorry, what is that, Silo? Parag, yeah, this aswang. Parag, yeah, this Filipino woman are sharp and funny. Yeah. Moment guys, I will clean this guys. After that we can properly talking guys. This is very fast. Seven viewers, shout out, and 14 likes. Thank you guys. Hey Fran, I read Hindi, Tagalog. Does Hindi means something in Tagalog? Yeah, Hindi, no. It means in Tagalog, Hindi. Yeah. And Colin Care, good morning Colin Care. How are you today? Have you had your breakfast, Colin Care? Oh, see, good morning, Fran. Good morning, Colin Care. Do you like drinking Coke, aswang? Kuan, Mariel, si Parag. Like, soft drinks. Aswang, I don't know eh. Aswang, you drink soft drinks, aswang? And Colin Care, I'm good in work already. Ay, so what is it? What do you have for breakfast, Colin Care? Hi, aswang. Moment guys, I need to finish this guys so that we can properly talking. And Mariel, Coke is soft drinks, right? Yes, it is. Aswang. Oats bran with chocolate. Me, Colin Care, my breakfast earlier is bread and banana and what is it? Vegetable soup. Yeah, no oats for today, Colin Care. Oh, Colin Care eat oats with chocolate oats. See. And Mariel, yes, Coca-Cola. Do you like soft drinks, aswang? Mariel, yes, in India, very popular. Oh, I see. I remember Parag loves soft drinks. He likes soft drinks. Moment guys, I need to finish this guys. I'm very near. Very fast. Aswang, Mariel, yes, India. Is Fanta popular in Philippines? Yeah, we have orange, but we call the royal aswang. It's like Fanta. In the Philippines, it's royal, but it's like Fanta. Yeah, it's royal, right? Cielo and Mariel, the Fanta. Here, it's Fanta. And Cielo, what is that? Samna manok. Box. And aswang, the cat is back. What is it? And Colin Care. Oh, super fast. Yeah, Colin Care. Super fast, Colin Care. This is the last, the casserole. What is it? And then finish. Where am I now? Ancelo, I love Sprite. Ay, ganahan ka Sprite, day. Mura ka ako papa, ganahan ni Sprite. Ako papa, sa una, ganahan ni Sprite. Nabi tubig diri dahil silo, mura siyang Sprite, pero dili tamis. Mura Sprite, magbubuwa. Nabi to sparkling water. Siguro na. Dili ko ganahan. Sprite lami, pero ang tubig dari ba murag Sprite siyang kay mugbuwa pero dili siya tamis. Sprite tamis man. Is that, yeah, Sprite also popular in India. Parag loves that a lot. Is it? Aswang, how do you know that Parag loves Sprite? Cielo, yes. And Mariel, nice. Pusog na Mariel. And si Aswang, Colin Care, what do you like in drinks? Sparkling water. Oh, sparkling water. Daw bitaw, day. Guys, day, Silo. Sparkling water. Inom ni mo ba? Mura siya, soft drinks, good nga. Murang buwa. So, dili ko ganahan. I heard, what is it? I heard Silo loves Red Horse. Ala, my goodness. Naganahan daw ka Red Horse, dahil. Uy, fake news. Uy, Aswang, you always have fake news, ay. Moment, guys. And finish na, guys. Si Mariel, nawaan si Mariel. Busog na to. Ghost nung ulam day. Tapos na ako kumain, kumain ako ng breakfast. Tinapay at saging at ba yon? Yung vegetable, so Ghost, ikaw Ghost, anong ulam mo? Yes, me inspired by ABCBN. Inspired na siya ng ABCBN silo, kaya ang ABCBN bias, fake news. My goodness, si Aswang. Saging o ginamos, oy kalami ana, Bisaya man ni sa Apgos, oy. Tagadiin ka Apgos. Saging ginamos, oy kalami ana saging ginamos. Mana, I'm done. And Aswang, friend, you had any alcohol in your life? No, oy, Aswang, I didn't drink alcohol. Never, Aswang. And Cielo, yes, I have very strict parents, so I never had alcohol. Oy, we're the same, Cielo. But my parents, guys, did not so strict. Oy, but I don't drink alcohol, guys. Maayo na daw. Ayaw dyan pag inom-inom daw. Cielo. Okay, well, yun na kuan daw ang inom daw. Apgos ay taga-karkar. Uy, lechon baboy on sa tangan ay kanang lami kaayo. Singa na. Kanang chicharon. Pilay mo edad, Apgos. Alice, I'm back to mom. Hi, Alice. Did you already upload your video, Alice? And Cielo, karkar Cebu. Oh, lami kayang lechon dira day, Cielo, karkar. Og chicharon. Hi, Kulapo. Hello. Hey, friend. How are you? I'm good, Kulapo. How about you, friend? Drink Kulapo. Uy, Kulapo. Aswang ay. Will drink Kulapo. Uy, Aswang. Drink Kulapo. Na. Kulapo said. Lechon and Cielo, see, we have so many similarities. I also offered to come there, but you told me to study hard. So, hello. Hi, Kulapo. How are you? Hello, Swang. I'm good. How are you? Yes. And Fran, I'm good. What are you doing today? Ano, Kulafo? Kulafo is also alcohol, right? Yes, Aswang. It's a wine. It's a vino. Vino. In the Philippines, it's a vino. Si, si Lu nagkatawa. Huwag man taan eh. There's one day left for exam. Uy, kung good luck, ano ha, Kulafo, you can do it. Don't, just like that what you've said last time ba, that there's many students have suicide, having suicide. What is it? It's because of the exam. What is it? And Aswang, oh my goodness, it's Venom. What do you mean Venom? Vino, not Venom. And Kulafo, Fran, I'm too famous. Yeah, you are. Kulafo, you are very famous. And Aswang, Kolapo, oh, yeah, 21 June is exam, all the best. Yeah, and at least alcohol is not good for you. It can make you sick. And if you want alcohol, no drinking it before age 30. Be careful drinking wine and alcohol. It can get you in the hospital. Oh, Aswang, paminaw mo ni Alice. You listen to Alice, Aswang, na. Aswang, you need to listen to Alice. 7 viewers, shout outs, and 15 likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, Aswang. Wala po. So you smoking right now because you kapre. Ay. Wala po is laughing. Aswang. Alice, first time you took good. Think, respect Alice. Oh, I see, yeah. Alice, Aswang says that what is it? You took good. Rebecca Sululu, hi. How are you? It's been a long time, Rebecca. How are you today? Oh, Rebecca is here. And Aswang Kulapo, it's very big exam. All the best. Just be chill and you will do great. Rebecca said hi. Hi, Rebecca. How are you today? It's been a long time. You are not here. And Alice, smoking that gets you to cancer levels and can get you to the hospital also and can make you sick. Careful. Oh. Oy, Aswang, Kulapo, you need to listen to Alice na. And Rebecca, great. Where have you been, Rebecca? What makes you busy? Because I haven't seen you here for a long time. And Kulafo, thank you so much, Aswang. And Rebecca, I have a good news. I have a guard dog. Oh, congratulations, Rebecca. What is it? So, where did you get that dog, Rebecca? What kind of dog is that? And Aswang, Alice, you are right. Hello, Alice. Oh, Alice, Kulapo, say hello to you. Last time you are talking to each other, huh? Kulafo and Alice. And Aswang, everyone is teaching me today. One told me to study, one to avoid drinks and smoke. Cielo told you to, Aswang, study hard. And then Alice says, avoid drinks and, avoid alcohol and cigarettes. Alice, I'm trying to let you know that smoking and alcohol is bad. Because Kulafo and more people here drink wine and alcohol and smoking. Oh. Alice and Aswang, listen to Alice. Ay Kulafo and Aswang, listen to Alice na. Hello, Kulafo, ARJ. And Aswang, Alice, your Capri smokes a lot at night. And Rebecca, it's a pit bull and borbol. Do you have two dogs, Rebecca? Pit bull, I know pit bull, but borbol, what is that? What kind of dog is that? I didn't know that kind of, breed. And Kolafu, yes, Alice, you're right. We study about it in biology. How are you doing, Alice? No, it's a mix. You mean it's a mix. I see. So you only have one dog, ano, Rebecca? Oh, it's the strongest dog in the world. Ay, is it? Yeah, pitbull. I know that. Ano, Rebecca, the pitbull. And Asubang, friend, sorry, I forget. Did you read my chat when I asked about that Facebook guy you sent? What do you mean, Aswang? What do you mean? Alice, ma'am, I think I'm teacher here now. Yeah, you are the teacher here, Alice. Yeah. And, Kulapo, Fran, didn't you check I sent you my piano video? Where, Kulapo? Where is it? And Aswang, Alice, you are, what is it? You're cute little sister. And say what? Hey, baby, you like American? Hi, say what? Where are you from? Are you from the USA? What is it? Thank you for coming here. Say what? And Rebecca, it has a bite force of 750 to 1,000. But since it's mixed, it has bite force of 1,000. Is it? So it's nice, Rebecca, you have a dog now. It can guard your house, right? And Alice, DPS song, what is it? And say what, Los Angeles? How old are you? Say what? How old are you? Say what? And Colafo. Oh, Insta yesterday I sent it. I didn't check yet. Ano, Colafo? I will check that later, ha, Colafo? And Aswang. I know. Say what? Los Angeles, Pampanga po. Ay, goodness. Taga Pilipinas, man din si ano, si what? Ilang taon ka na, si what? And Aswang, I will come back, got some work. Where you go, Aswang? And Alice, Kulapo, please don't call me ma'am. I'm like the youngest in this channel. But you are teacher. Twenty. 20 ka na pala. Salamat sa pagbitisita. Siwat, nag-aaral ka pa, Siwat? Ernst, naka-subscribe na ko kay Lamariel. Salamat, Ernst. Ako siya ato siya wala naman sa Mariel dali nagkaon man to. Ako ingnon ha. Kung balik unsa hanang sa monetize naka-earns wala pa. May tagmo-monetize sa taan ni oy. And Alice, Kulapo in this point, shut up. Why, Alice? What happened? And Kulapo, no, I'm not going to Alice, ma'am. Not in mean way. Giovanni, hello. Kumusta, Giovanni? Salamat sa pagbisita. And say what? Drop out na ako and may trabaho na ako, Bitcoin trader. Sige, say what? Ingat ka ha. Enjoy. There. And balik ka pag may oras ka. Say what ha? Balik ka dito. Salamat, say what? And Alice, Kulapo, stop. And Kulapo, are you becoming angry? Alice, are you angry na? Kulapo, ask you, Alice. Alice, Kulapo is very cute. You know? Alice. And Giovanni, okay lang ako, sweet mama. Sweet mama. Anong ginagawa mo ngayon, Giovanni? What is that? Alice. Kulafo, yeah, I'm angry. Why you are angry, Alice? What happened to you? And say what? I have 3 million in my bank account. Wow, congratulations, you're very rich. Say what? Yeah. Congratulations ha. Say what? That is nice. And Giovanni, kain tayo, mama. Anong kinain mo, Giovanni? Anong ulam mo? And Kulafo, oh, that's great. Kulapo, what happened? Why Alice is angry? What happened? Because he is calling me mom. Better Kulapo, you call Alice little sister. Sometimes becoming angry is good. Say what? Thank you. Yeah. ano, mayaman ka pala, say what? Maganda ha. Mayaman ka pala. And Kulafo, Little Alice, ma'am. Yeah, you can ask to Alice. How about Alice, Little Alice? What do you think? Na, Kulafo sis Little Alice. And Giovanni chicken adobo. Oy, ang sarap niyan, Giovanni. Sige, kain ka ng mabuti dyan, ano, Giovanni. Eat well. And Alice, Fran is mom. Kulafo, Fran is my big sister. Na Alice, Kulafo, Kolio, Little Alice. What do you think? Say what you want to learn about Bitcoin. Na, I don't know. See what? I don't know how to do that. I don't want to learn about that. I think it's very hard. Oy, I don't know how to kuan. Juwain mo muna ako. Ay, iwan ko sa'yo. See what? I think he's freaking annoying for that. So, what do you want to call, Alice? What is it, Alice? Kulafo, call me Mia or Alice, nothing else. And Kulafo, Fran, I think Alice is angry because of me. I should go now. Bye, Fran. Why you go, Kulafo? Kulafo, oy. And Kulafo, Alice, don't go. Na, Alice, Kulafo is, he go now. Bye, Alice or Mia, fine. Please don't go, Kulafo. Yeah, because you angry, Alice. He said, he go now. Me, no angry, me sad. Oy, Kulafo, na. She said she's not angry, but she's sad. Six viewers, shout out, and 15 likes. Thank you, guys, for the 15 likes. Me, no angry. Me, sad. Yeah, that is why Alice, Kulafo is, he leave now. What are you doing today, Alice? You already uploaded your video, Alice? Let me see. Let me see your video, Alice, that you upload. Tuka Mia. Tuka Mia .x. Let me see. Say what? What is it, Alice? I didn't upload it yet. Why you didn't upload it yet, Alice? And Reyes Wong. Hi, sis. It's been a while. Hi, Reyes Wong. Kumusta? How are you today? Yeah, it's been a while. What makes you busy, Reyes Wong? How are you today? And welcome to my stream again. Yes. And Alice, I uploaded it in the first day of school drama. Yeah, upload it, Alice. I wanna see your videos. Thank you for the double tap, guys. Thank you so much. I upload it. Yeah, upload it, Alice. I wanna see. Reyes Wong, my placement next Tuesday, flight to the country capital, be working at the hospital Kuala Lumpur on the next Saturday, on the next Thursday. Ah, I see. Mm, you go there for work, ano Reyes Wong? Next Tuesday, flight to country capital, be working at the hospital Kuala Lumpur on next. Ah, I see. So, Reyes Wong, are you a doctor, right? Am I right? I think I know you, I think I remember you, Reyes Wong. Emilio Fran, payag bang magpakasal tayo? Meaning is what? Please tell me now. Okay, what is it? Emilio Nguli, what do you mean? Salamat kabayan, ingat dyan. Matulog na ko, bay. Sige, sige, tug na Ernst. Kay gabi na dira, di ba? Sa New Zealand. Salamat, Ernst, ha? Bye-bye, Ernst. Salamat. Good night and have a good sleep. Yeah, salamat, Ernst. Fran, payag ka bang magkasal tayo? Meaning is what? Is what? Please tell me now. Okay. What is it, Emilio Nguli? What do you mean? I don't understand. No, I am an assistant medical officer. The 60% doctor and 40% nurse. Ah, you're assistant. Ah, I see. Nice, Reyes Wong, ha? So, what is it, Reyes Wong? You working there at the hospital in Kuala Lumpur? Nice. And Tufik, hi Tufik. It's been a long time. Hey cutie, how are you after very long? I'm good, Tufik. How about you? Tufik, the handsome guy. And very 60. How are you, Tufik? And Alice, you ignore me. I didn't ignore you, Alice. And Reyes Wong, yes, finally got my placement. By the way, gotta go now. I need to do something. Bye-bye. Okay, Reyes Wong, take care. And yeah, that's good, huh? Congratulations. Yeah, Reyes Wong, thank you so much. Take your time and have a lovely day ahead. Reyes Wong. Eagle Fighting, hello from you from the Philippines. Hello Eagle Fighting, taga saan ka? Saan sa Pilipinas? Salamat sa pagbisita. And Tofik, I'm fine. What about you? Didn't talk since a month. Happy to see you again. Yeah, me too as well, Tofik. I'm very happy to see you again here. Because it's been a long time, right? So what are you doing today, Tofik? Yeah. And Alice, you didn't read my comments. I said I uploaded it already on my channel. Yeah, that is why I told you, Alice, where is your a video? Just upload it because I wanna see. You didn't hear, Alice. What is it? Eagle Fighting, salamat po. I don't know that I look because I am not your co-Filipino. What do you mean? Eagle Fighting, you're not Filipino? What is it? And Tofik, and by the way, whom you're supporting in FIFA World Cup? I don't know. Maybe Portugal, Tufik, because they said here last time they are talking about the FIFA World Cup here. They said that Spain is not what good. They are not good for to play the football at this moment, right, Tufik? So maybe I choose Portugal. Ronaldo? Yeah, Eagle Fighting, kumusta po? I'm good, Eagle Fighting. How about you? So what is your nationality, Eagle Fighting? Can I ask? Alice, it is in the video section. It's my first video in your if you're confused. What is it, Alice? What is your Alice, your YouTube channel? I cannot search your name. Your username I cannot search. What is your YouTube channel? Eagle Fighting. I don't know Tagalog. I am Argentina fan. Ah, you're Argentina fan. So, Eagle Fighting, I'm asking you, what is your nationality? What is it? And Tufik, oh, CR7 fan, girl. Yeah, Tufik. I choose Portugal at this moment because they said that Spain right now, they are not good. as a player. Yeah, the channel is TWL Mia. What is it? TBLW Mia. What is this, Alice? What videos is this? You uploaded yesterday, 1 day ago, Alice? First day of School of Drama? What is it? What kind of video is this, Alice? You say, where are you from? Me? Yes, I am asking you, Eagle Fighting. Where are you from, or what is your nationality? And Alice, the TWL spells look up to Kabuka. Yes, 1 day ago. What is it? Is it a game, Alice? I didn't know what kind of game is this, Alice. You are playing, Alice? What kind of game is this? I don't understand. And Eagle Fighting, I think 2026 World Cup champions Brazil. And Eagle Fighting, I am South India. Our language is Tamil. Ah, you are at Tamil Nadu. Eagle Fighting. I have many friends here, Eagle Fighting from Tamil. And they speak Tamil. Tamil Nadu. What kind of games is this, Alice? And Eagle Fighting, yeah, I'm from Tamil Nadu. You know Tamil Nadu? Yeah, Eagle Fighting, I have many friends here from Tamil Nadu. I have many friends here. Vanakam, Eagle Fighting, hello. Alice, in Tokaboka, you can make characters and these Jane houses. Is it? What happened to your character, Alice? She's afraid. What happened? Yeah, I saw your video here. The little girl is afraid with the phone. Vanakam, you know Tamil words? No, not really, Eagle Fighting. But I have many friends here from Tamil. They speak Tamil Nadu. Here, Eagle Fighting. But I speak with them through English. Yeah, we speak English here. Yes, I made her. Is it good? Yeah, it's very cute, Alice, but I don't know what is this. I didn't understand the games. But she's cute. Thanks. Yeah, it's cute game, Alice. Oh, Alice, 163, what is it? You have 163 babies. An Eagle Fighting, okay po, how do you know Tamil Nadu? Because I said I speak Tamil. But if that's you, then how you come ask me if I was from Tamil Nadu? Yeah, because you said that you are Tamil, so um it's normal because what is it? It's obvious because I have many friends here from Tamil Nadu. That is why I tell you that you are from Tamil Nadu, right? Eagle Fighting. And Alice, yes, I reached 163. Yeah, congrats, Alice. You have many subscribers. And silo na pa day kadira day na nangawa man sila day oy. Nagunsa na kadira day silo. My channel is growing so fast. Wow, congratulations, Alice. And Eagle Fighting, okay po. And Eagle Fighting, I have a question. How do you speak Tagalog? Have you been to Philippines? And Eagle Fighting? Nag-unsa ka day silo? Nangawa man sila, day. Nag-andam pa ni hapon ay nagluto ka. Unsay mo giluto? May pa sana all ka. Kay nagluto ka dara unsay nang ka imong giluto kalamian na. Eagle fighting. I know many friends in Philippines in YouTube. Ah, I see. So you join me ni live stream Eagle fighting. I know some words but I don't know Tagalog. Ah, I see. That is nice, ha? Nagdugag pa, naglungag pa. Ah. Unsa man nimo lutoon day nga sudaan day? Lamiaan na inyong pagkaon dara oy. Kuan ba singa na oy kanang sa may pangan oy kanang kuan day silo bakang kung lagi lami kay day. Og kanang kuan day kanang jackfruit day ba nangka butangan og kanang kuan coconut milk lamia. Naglungag pa. And Alice, real quick, I'm uploading on YouTube short. Oy, Alice, better you upload yourself. I wanna see you, Alice. I think you're cute, little girl. And Cielo, nagplano pa sa baati, unsay lutoon. Ako magluto niya ko day ko an tagdaon para sa lunch. Wa pa sad ko kabawon na ko lutoon pero magkanon gyapon ko. An Eagle fighting, I think I watch some Filipinos movies but only a few of the films are good. Many of them are copied from American films and many others. What is it? What kind of Eagle fighting? What kind of movie did you watch? Is it the copy in American? What is it? I didn't know. And Cielo, hi Eagle. Yeah, Eagle fighting. And Alice, no, I don't show my face. Sorry. Why you didn't show your face, Alice? You're cute, I think. And many of my friends here, many of our friends here, my viewers, they wanted to see you. My mom says it's dangerous because I'm 14, but literally I'm soon a teenager. Ah, so you're still 14. I thought that you are Alice. Okay, Alice, yeah, you are a minor age. Your mom is right. But Alice, I remember who is that Rahaf? Rahaf is here, girl as well. She do live. She's very cute. Rahab is my viewers as well here. She's so cute. She's from Russia. Alice. An Eagle fighting. Hello po. Cielo Georgibusa. Yes. Yeah, minor. Yeah, you're minor, Alice. Yeah, just like what I said, Alice, I have a viewers here. Rahab, I think you know her. Yeah, she do stream. And she's very cute, Is a little girl. I think you have the same age to Rahaf. Cielo. Day nindo wala gauwan dira day Cielo. Little baby me. Yeah, Alice, you're a little baby of course. Just like Rahaf. Rahaf is from Russia. And then she's so cute. She's little girl as well like you. I think you have the same age. But Alice, you speak Israeli, right? Me only 14 or 13, I don't know. Why you don't know your age? Oy, Alice, what happened? Ang Cielo, ganina, nag-ulan kusog. May padira, diri init kay diri ay. Gusto ko mag-ulan sad, para dili init ba? And Eagle fighting, no, a lot of Filipino movies are just copies of American movies and a lot of foreign movies. Why is it that only a few films, namely those made by independent directors, have a Filipino storyline? Eagle fighting, what do you mean? We didn't copy, oy. We didn't copy, no, we have our movies, Filipino movies, like drama, horror, right, Cielo? Do you agree, Cielo? Eagle fighting what said that we are copying the American? What is it? Sakto ba day Cielo? Nag-copy daw ta sa American mga movie. Di ba wala naman tayo. Eagle fighting, we have our own movies. We are not copying. What do you mean? Some? There is the Iday. Pero Tagalog man ta. Yeah, I speak Hebrew too. And also Italian, Arabic, and a lot more. Wow. You are not look like 14, Alice, because you speak many languages, Alice. I see. Like Japanese, Indian. I see. So you speak Indian as well, Alice. You can speak to eagle fighting because he is from India. Eagle fighting. Eagle fighting. Cielo said that some movies is there is a similar to American movies. I skip one grade. Why you skipped, Alice? What happened? What happened, Alice? Why you skip one grade? Alice? 18 likes. Thank you, guys. And 4 viewers. Hello. Shout out. Because the teacher said I need to get a higher level. What is it, Alice? I don't understand. I skip one grade because the teacher said I need to get because you're no, it's very advanced. No problem. You speak to Indians. Yeah, eagle fighting. I only known some words in India. It's Hindi, like Namaste, Kizuhay up, like that. Eagle fighting. But Tamil Nadu, I didn't know. Only Banakam. Banakam is hello, right? Eagle fighting. I don't know Hindi. I see. So you only speak Tamil Nadu, but Tamil Nadu is the oldest language, right? In this world. I teach you Tamil. Yeah, but it's very hard, the Tamil. Eagle fighting. The Tamil language, it's an ancient language. It's very old. Tamil is an ancient, oldest language and classical language in the world. Yeah, that is why I tell you eagle fighting. I know that eagle fighting because as I told you, I have many viewers here or friends from Tamil Nadu, and they are talking about they telling me about that the Tamil is the oldest Asian language. Yeah. So how many language did you speak eagle fighting? Tamil and what the others as well. And me Alice, I'm about to say something long to get ready to see it. What is it, Alice? I don't understand. What you are talking about, Alice? What is that? Out of the time and the fade on the night. Eagle, there was a king named Chola. The temple he built it still exists and it must be 1,000 years old. Wow, that is nice. Eagle fighting. I like history. It's very interesting to listen that. Yeah. Tell me about that eagle fighting. I'm interested to hear about that. I love history. There was a king named Chola. The temple he built still exists, and must be 1,000 years old. We can find this temple eagle fighting in Tamil. Am I right? What is the name of the temple? Eagle fighting. 1,000 years old. Ali, smoking and drinking together dramatically raise your risk of cancer. Smoking and drinking alcohol but individually increase your risk of cancers and other diseases under use. Other increases. Oh, I see, Alice. Yes, you're right. Guys, a moment guys, I will go to, guys ha? But I will come back guys. I will go to the toilet. A moment guys. But I will come back ha, for a moment. Just for a moment. An eagle fighting, I will come back. Ha, we can talk about that because I'm interested to know about, because I love history. A moment. Okay. Just for a moment. Riley, fifth, can I ask you a little favor? What is that? Riley. Yes, I'm back, guys. Are you teacher? No, I'm 14. Yeah, Alice is like a teacher because he's very intelligent. Right, Alice? You're very smart little girl. Alice. Seven viewers, shout out and 19 likes. Thank you, guys. Do you know something Tagalog Tamil? Tagalog Tamil, what is it? The eye of the tiger. Do you know something Tagalog and Tamil? Some words similar like Tagalog. Paalam means bye, but Tamil means bridge. Yeah, paalam, it's bye in Tagalog. In Tamil, it means bridge. Ah, I see. Mm, it means bridge. And Nicole Laurent, Nicole, how are you? Thank you for coming again, Nicole. Hi to you. How are you today, Nicole? And Eagle Fighting, I am 20 years old. Na Alice, Eagle Fighting is 20. He is 20 years old, Alice. And Alice, alcohol is potentially addictive, can cause intoxication, and contributes health problems and preventable deaths if you drink low levels and continue. Yeah. Wait, Alice, how do you know about that? You said that you are a little girl, but why you know that? What is it? Alice. I'm not a bit well. I just got a fever. How are you? Oy, what happened to you, Nicole? You have low? I'm good, Nicole. Ay, what happened to you, Nicole? Sorry to hear about that. I hope you get well soon, Nicole. Hehehe. You're a teacher, Alice? Yeah, Alice, you have, what is it? I cannot imagine that you are only 14 years old, but how do you know about that kind of, ideas, Alice, or knowledge? And Gumeres, nako po, nahatching na, naligo ako ha. Hi Gumeres, taga saan ka? Thank you for coming. Nako, nako po, nahatching. Kaya nga Gumeres, iwan ko ba? Oy, bakit, ganito ngayon ako, oy? What is your age, Fran? Eagle Fighting, I'm too old. I'm 33 years old. Eagle Fighting, and you are 20, right? Do you still studying Eagle Fighting? Am I right? And Gumeres, taga saan ka, Gumeres? Salamat sa pagbisita. What is that? What is mean by nako po? Nako po, it's like, what is it? In Tagalog, Eagle Fighting, it's like, what called is it, oy? What do you call is it? A moment, I will think, it's an expression, Eagle Fighting. Nako po. Just like, oh my goodness, oh my God, something like that, Eagle Fighting in English. Oh my God, nako po. I'm from Baras, Rizal, Philippines. Ay, taga ano ka? Taga Rizal, Manila. Mm. Ako gumiris, taga Cebu ako. Pero andito ako ngayon sa Espanya. Salamat sa pagbisita. Ilang taon ka na gumiris? And Nicole Lauren, thank you, Fran. I get a high fever and nosebleed every morning at random time. It's not that important because I will get well soon. I'm talking enough because I'm tired. Oy, Nicole, you need to ano ha? You go to the doctor because I think it's serious. Because you have nosebleed. Ah, Nicole, yeah, and rest well there, Nicole. Okay, thank you, Nicole. Have a good rest there, ha, and get well soon. Yeah, you need to go to the doctor because I think it's serious. And Alice, no, I'm not a teacher, but I know those stuff because I study science and history and math and English and all of them. So I read about them and watch teaching videos. Ah, really, Alice, I see. You're very intelligent girl, Alice. I see. Nice, Alice. So what grade are you in now, Alice? Are you high school? And eagle fighting, I am call you aka-aka means elder sister in Tamil. Ah, aka-aka. But in eagle fighting, the big brother is Anna, right? Anna. Eagle fighting. It's a big brother. It's Anna, right? And what is it? Elder sister is aka-aka. I see. And Alice, I graduated middle school. Ah, I see, Alice. But yeah, Alice, why do you like what is it, a little what is it, a game for for a little child, a little kid. You already 14. Yes, elder brother means Anna. Anchor brother means in Tamil Tambi. Do you know eagle fighting? The Tambi in the Philippines is fat Tambi. Yeah, Tambi, it's fat. And Gumiris, buenas noches, Fran. I'm turning 60s na mag-senior na soon. Ay, ganun ba, Kuya Gumiris? Ah, buenas noches, Kuya Gumiris. Marunong ka mag-Espanyol, Kuya Gumiris? Actually, sa Spain ngayon buenos dias because morning pa dito, Kuya Gumiris. Jan, buenas noches because it's evening, right? Gabi na dyan, Kuya Gumiris. You call me Tambi. I don't know, Tambi, meme is funny. Yeah, eagle fighting in the Philippines, if Tambi, it means you are fat. Yeah, Tambi. Or chubby. And Alice, you know Blair is YouTuber of Tukaboka and she's 19 and soon 20. She started her channel in 2008. I didn't know that, Alice, because as I told you, Alice, I am not a fan of Tukaboka and I don't know this kind of things or games. What is that, Alice? And eagle fighting, naku means in Tagalog means expression by Tamil. Naku, I see. Yeah, eagle fighting in English, nako, if you said nako po or nako, it means oh my goodness. Just like that, but you are shocked or what is it, afraid or my goodness, just like that. Yeah. Nako po. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Yeah, like that, eagle fighting. Yeah, I'm understanding Aka. Nice, eagle fighting. Tio Chong, Tio Toy, hello. Don't spam please. Tio Chong, Chong, where are you from? You're from China. Tio Chong or Thailand? What is Vietnam? Ay, sorry, Alice. My goodness. It's Tio Chong. I know where, because it's Yeah, what is it, Alice? Fran, I'm not the best in English, but I'm okay. No, Alice, you speak English very well. Your English is good, Alice. You are more good than me, you know? Your English is very good. Aka, are you married? No, I'm not married yet. Eagle fighting. I'm single. How about you? Eagle fighting. Are you single or do you have girlfriend? What is it? Random iyo single ready to mingle. Hi Random, how are you today? Where are you from? I think you've been here before. I remember you. And Alice, I'm tired. I just what is it, Alice? You need to rest, Alice. An eagle fighting, I'm single aka. Nice. So what is it? Why do you don't have a girlfriend yet? Eagle fighting. I have a friend here, eagle fighting. He's from Tamil. It's Pugal. His name is Pugal. And then, what is it? Last time, he have a arranged marriage. Yeah, and then I asked him yesterday that how is it, the arranged marriage? He said, no, I didn't marry the woman because I don't like it. So, eagle fighting, is it, normal there to have arranged marriage in Tamil Nadu? Henry, Alien, hi, how are you sis? I'm good, Alien. Henry, how are you today? It's been a long time. How are you, Henry? And Random, no, I never been here. First time. Okay. Where are you from, Random? Where are you from? Thank you for coming. And Mike, hi Mike, how are you, Mike? I watching you earlier, Mike. You do stream. While I am do streaming here, I watch you as well. I didn't chat because I'm only watching you. You do guitar in your live stream. Hi Fran, nice to see you today. Just finished another music live now. Yes. Yeah, I am watching you, Mike. You're playing guitar. An eagle fighting, yes, they will get married whether they want to or not. They will get married at the age of 28 and woman age of 20. But yeah, eagle fighting, he said that he don't want to continue because he doesn't like the woman. He doesn't like it. He said not no because we are not compatible. Yeah. He said eagle fighting no. He didn't want. So I am asking you right now that there is an arranged marriage there in Tamil. I see. And Mike, yes, okay, thanks. Great. Barituni, ukulele today. Yeah, I am watching you here earlier, Mike. You do stream. I saw you. But I didn't type, I didn't comment because I am here, I'm talking to people, but I am watching you. And Alice, Fran, I wanna go live stream. Yeah, you can go. I know, Alice, but yeah, you need to show your face, Alice. And Random, I'm from what is that? Zaligerzig. What country is that, Random? Can I ask, if you don't mind me to ask? Good luck to pronounce. It's very hard to pronounce. What is it? Zaligerzig? Zaligerzig? Am I right? I don't know what country is that. And Alice, be right back. Okay, Alice, take time. And eagle fighting, you will married in Tamil boy. What do you mean eagle fighting? Yeah, this is it, eagle fighting. As I told you, I have many viewers here from Tamil Nadu. So yeah, just like Parag and Kalpana and Navi can speak Tamil as well. Yeah, there are a lot here. And you are new. May Tamil viewer. Actually, eagle fighting, they are here mostly at night. Eagle fighting because I will after this live because the time here it's 11:21 in the morning. So in the noon lunchtime I will stop streaming and then after that I will come back at night and they are here. Yeah, Kalpana, Pugalana, Navi, And there is more. Yeah, they speak Tamil. You will right back. Okay, Alice. Take your time, Alice. No problem. I am Batman. I am arrival in night. Batman. Yeah, because eagle fighting, they sleep very late. I don't know why. I don't know why they are not here in the morning. Maybe they are busy. Maybe some are them working or at at school. Yeah. Kalpana, she's a girl. And Pugal, he is a man that I told you that he have a arranged marriage, right? And Nambi as well is a man. Yeah, they're always here. Hi, Johnny. Hi. You go to sleep now, Johnny. Johnny from Australia. Yeah, I know you. How are you, Johnny? We talked last time. I enjoyed talking to you. So how is it still cold there, Johnny, in Australia? And eagle fighting, Aka, you look like Tamil girl. Do I look like Tamil eagle fighting? Yeah, many of my viewers here at eagle fighting telling me that I look like Indian. Yeah, but I am Filipino. Yeah, they say that I look like Indian. It's because I think of my color. I don't know. But I am white. Look. Only my face is like that. Namaste, Smiling Buddha. How are you? Thank you for coming. Smiling Buddha. And Johnny, yeah, let's lots of firewood now. Wow. So you can you have what is it? A wood there to burn to make hot. No, no, you look South Indian. Yeah, just like South Indian. Do I look like South Indian? They say that I look like in the north or from Kerala because I look like Indian but look like Asian as well. Eagle fighting. Because South Indian they have a beautiful nose and the eyes is nice, right? Yeah. But they are brown, right? But me, I look like Asian. Look. Yeah. A moment. Moment, ha? Because it's very hot now, I will on the electric fan. And Alice, my live glitching now. I cannot live stream. What happened, that Alice? What happened to your live stream, Alice? Eagle fighting. Many Philippines look like South Indians. Is it? But eagle fighting, my nose is flat. The South Indian, they have beautiful nose like this. Your nose also very beautiful like you. Oh, thank you, eagle fighting. But how about you, eagle fighting? Can I ask, the Tamil Nadu people, they are white or brown? What is it? Because I didn't see my viewers here yet. Kalpana, I didn't see personal the photo. I didn't see Ibinabi and Pugal. Didn't see. But how it looks, because South Indian, I have many viewers here from South as well. They are brown, right? And Mariel, hello again. Where have you been? Din kagikan Mariel, just woke up again. Natug ka? Nangawa man mo tanan. Si Silo, ambot na pa baka si Silo, murag wala man ni kaon na to. Took shower fresh from the farm. I should have the farm. Joshua Aswan. Hi ma'am from Las Vegas. Hi Joshua, how are you? Thank you for coming, Joshua. And Mariel, yes, sis, nikaon na ka Mariel. Nikaon na biya to si Silo, murag nagkaon na to, nagluto. Okay ra Mariel, ikaw nikaon na ka. Unsa naman oras diha? An eagle fighting many South Indians like brown color, but if you talk about color, it will get into politics, so we didn't talk about Thai. I see. Yeah, you are right. Eagle fighting. South Indians, normally they are brown, right? Most of them. Yeah. And Mariel, 5:26 p.m. in the Philippines time. You see. Uy, kuha na day diya, Mariel, magkaon na kaon niya. Sa'yo kay ni kaon si Silo. Ay, nagluto na to. And Alice, my pimple came back. Why? What happened, Alice? Why you have pimple? You need to wash your face before you sleep. You need to wash and then wake up in the morning, wash your face. Alice. And Maria Lieses, busog pa ko ganiha. Ako nagkaon day kaganiha, no? Si wala pa man to ni kaon. Si Cielo. It hurts. No, don't touch your pimple, Alice. Yeah, don't touch that. And Mariel, hapon na. Wan ay init dala, Mariel. Kay hapon naman, wala na init, no? Eagle fighting, if you want, give me your Instagram ID and tell you on details. Yeah, you can put, I have my link there, Eagle, what is it? Eagle fighting, I have my Instagram link there in my bio page. Yeah, you can say that and then you can click that and then, yeah, you can follow me. And Mariel, Parag, where are you guys? Na, wala sila diri, Mariel. Ang buta, sana to, nangawagtang. Si Aswang, marag na gibukat. Balik ra daw to siya. Alice, is bugnaw na gamay. Na may padera, Mariel, oy, dari init. Hi, I'm Elena. Hi. You already in the, what is it? You're already in Switzerland? Elena? Eagle fighting. Okay, aka po. Yes, eagle fighting ha. You can me. I have the link there. Instagram link. I landed yesterday. Ay, nice, Elena. How is it? How is your flight? And Mariel, na busy siguro sis. Oh, busy, Jude. Nangawa sila. And Alice, bye. Okay, Alice, take care, Alice. Don't pop your pimple. Alice. And Mariel, how are you today? Elena, Mariel asking you, how are you? Eagle fighting, I'm not using Instagram, I'm using Facebook because so I don't like Instagram. Is using Facebook? Yeah, I have Facebook there as well, Eagle fighting. You can, all the link is there, my social media, Eagle fighting. And I'm Elena. Hi, Mariel, I'm good. What about you? Very good, thank you. Yes, how is it, your flight? Elena, is everything is good? Elena? You know, Aka Tamil words and Korean words are the same. Aka, the big sister, no, oy. Yeah, because the big brother in Korean is Oppa, right? Oppa, the big brother. And Mariel, good, thanks. I'm Elena. Have a great day. Yes. Kapoy ko Mariel, katugon ko Mariel. Ang sama na oy. Giduka sa nun ko, Mariel. And I'm Elena, thank you. Yeah, say hello to your nani. I'm Elena, ha? Naman na siya koan, Mariel, kanang yaya, Pilipina. I'm Elena, say hello to your nani. And to your parents as well, Elena. Gaduka mo, Mariel, oy. Elena, but when I arrived, I had the biggest headache because I slept at 3 a.m. because I arrived at 2 a.m. And now I have colds. Oy, you need to, Elena, rest well. You need to rest more. Elena. Sorry to hear about that, Elena. Eagle fan, your ama and ama also similar in Korea. Means in Korea, their elder sister, but Ani in Tamil, elder brother, wife. I see eagle fighting. I only know eagle fighting, Anna, big brother, in Tamil. Thank you, Fran. You're welcome, Elena. Yeah, say hello to your your nanny there and to your parents, Elena. How is the weather there, Elena, in Switzerland? Is it cold or hot? What is it? And eagle fighting. Appa is father also in Korea. Ah, you see. Oppa is big brother in Korean. Eagle fighting. Elena, she said hi. Kumusta ka? I think that's how you spell it. Yeah, say hello. I say I'm good, Elena. Okay lang. Yeah. Elena, have you had your breakfast? Or what is it? What time is it now? Let me see. Ah, yeah, it's nearly lunch, Elena. Have you had your lunch, Elena? Yeah, I know Vietnam language also like Tamil. Ah, the Vietnam as well fighting. But the are sounds like Chinese. Eagle fighting the Vietnam. Am I right? And John Madden, hello from But Fuck Me, India's. Hi, John Madden. How old are you? Thank you for coming from India, right? Shout out. John Madden from India. Yes, I eat eggs. No, not yet. I just had breakfast. Ah, it's Elena. Wow. Yeah, but soon it's lunchtime, Elena, right? It's lunchtime soon. What will you eat for your lunch, Elena? My name is Dixon Mayas. Hi, John Madden Dixon Mayas. Ah, your name is Dixon. Oh, okay. How old are you, Dixon? Can I ask? I don't know yet, but I hope it's pizza. Ah, do you like pizza, Elena? I love pizza as well, Elena. The cheese pizza. I really love the margarita, Elena. It's very delicious. How about you? What kind of pizza do you like, Elena? Pepperoni? Do you like pepperoni, Elena? Yes, margarita is my favorite. Oy, we have the same live. I like. Melina, I love margarita. It's very delicious. The cheese. Yes. Thank you for that double tap, guys. Thank you so much. Elena, how old are you? Again, can I ask your age, Elena? If you don't mind me to ask. Especially in Italy. Oh, yeah. The Italian pizza is very delicious. Right, Elena? But I never tried to go to Italy yet, Elena. Only, here. Italian pizza here. I try. I'm 11. No, I don't mind. Oh, I see. Thank you, Elena. You're such a good girl. Yeah, you're 11 years old. You're so cute. So how is it the weather there, Elena, in Switzerland? Is it hot or still cold? What is it? I feel sleepy. Ay, wow, yang. Uy, si Ronaldin nandito. Hey, Ronaldin, kumusta? Si Ronaldin nandito. Saan si, Ronaldin? It's kind of cold. Ah, nice, Elena. It's cold there. Here is very hot here in Spain, Elena. So it's cold there. Nice. Oy, Ronaldin, kumusta ate? Kumusta? Nagbabalik ako, mabuhay ako ulit. Saan ka galing, Ronaldin? Saan ka ba galing? And Elena, oh, nice. Yeah, you like hot weather, Elena. I don't like hot weather. I like I like cold. Mariel nag... Uy, Ronaldin, saan ka ba galing? Hello. Uy, Ronaldin, na na si Mariel. Oy, naano mo na si Mariel, nakonekta mo na, Ronalyn, si Mariel. What is the weather there now, ha? Init diri Mariel, oy. Oy, Ronalyn, ano ba tawag dito, oy? Kumain ka, Ronalyn. Nagbabalik ako, nabuhay ako ulit. Asan yung si Ronamia, Ronalyn? Ba't di na siya, hindi na siya nag-ano dito, nag-join? And Elena, yes, I like hot weather because it's always cold in Switzerland. I see. But Elena, you, what is it? Oy, you live in the UEA, right? In the Middle East. Middle East is very hot. And Mariel, time check, 5:36 p.m. Philippine time. Wow, I would love to go to Switzerland. Nindot kay Switzerland, Mariel. And Ronalyn, opo. Ronalyn, sana ba si Ronamia? Hindi ko na siya nakita dito. Ronalyn. And Mariel, how I wish, very hot here in Philippines. Yeah, Elena, is very hot in the Philippines and also here. Mariel, yes, it's beautiful. Edwin, hi Edwin, how are you? Kumusta ka, Edwin? How are you today? And Elena, yeah, it's very hot in Riyadh. Yeah. So, do you like hot, Elena? Me, I don't like it. I love cold, weather. And Ronalyn, tinatamad. Ba't siya tinatamad, Ronalyn? Ano bang ginagawa ni, Ronamia? And Elena, Riyadh, I would love to go to the Philippines. Yeah, you can visit to your, nanny's hometown. Elena, you can tell your nanny that, Nanny, we go to the Philippines. We visit your hometown. It's very beautiful there, Elena. And I am sure you will enjoy. You will enjoy it in the Philippines. I sometimes like hot weathers because I love the ocean. Yeah, perfect. In the Philippines, Elena, the ocean there, the seas, what is it? It's very beautiful, just like a paradise. Yes, I probably will go with Rachel when I grow up. Yeah, you can. Actually, Elena, where your nanny living in the Philippines? Where in the Philippines she live? My parents allowed me to go. Yeah. You can go with your nanny, Rachel. She's from Manila. I see. Yeah, your nanny can take good care of you. She can take care of you there. It's very beautiful there, Elena. And you will enjoy there for sure. No, actually, she's in the province. Province. I see, Manila province. Yeah, but it's very beautiful, the province, than the city. The city, it's polluted, and then there is many people. It's crowded as well. So better in the, what is it? In the province, Elena. Uy, Ronalyn, andyan ka pa ba? O, si Mariel, asa naman Mariel? Si Ronalyn, wala. Ay, Ronalyn. Yes, true. Yeah, Elena, it's very beautiful there. And do you like seafoods, Elena? Do you eat seafoods? Yes, ay, hindi pa dis Mariel, si Ronalyn, nabot, asa na tong gwapa. Ay, si Ronalyn, muradyog, tanggulilong. Mawagtang, mabalik. Elena, I used to love fish, but now I really like it. I see. So, what kind of food do you like? What is your favorite, Elena? Only pizza? What is it? Because we have pizza in the Philippines, Elena, but the taste is sweet. It's not like here. Yeah, and Charlie Copper, I'm 23 years old. How long will it take me find a good woman from nice family there? Hypothetically, and which city you recommend? Where are you from, Charlie Cooper? I will ask your country first. an MBA. Hi, Didi. Hi, B. Where have you been? You're here earlier. Yeah, Ronalyn, nandito ulit ako. Saan ka ba galing, Ronalyn? Saan ka galing? Elena, I always go to the sea in boats and stuff because my dad is such an ocean guy. You see, Elena. Yeah, you're good. You're perfect in the Philippines. It's very nice there. You can ride a boat. Yeah, and Charlie Copper, I'm from UEC Michigan. I see. Okay. So how old are you, Charlie Copper? Can I ask? If you don't mind me to ask, so that because you don't know that I have a lot of Filipina friends here. Maybe they are single. So what is it? And Elena, I'm going to boat for 1 week. I see. Me, Elena, I don't like boat. It's because I feel dizzy. Yeah, because every time the boat do like this because of the waves, and then I feel dizzy, Elena. So that is why Ronalyn, inagaw ni Kuya CP ko. Ba't inagaw, Ronalyn? Ba't inagaw yung CP mo? Charlie Copper, why you ask me my country in reason? No, I didn't, nothing, but most Filipina, Charlie Copper, they like, white, because the Filipino, we are brown. So, the Filipina like, we love, white people, so that our children is, very cute. Charlie, that is why I ask your, nationality. Yeah, because most of the Filipino loves white people. Yeah. And 23 years old. You're 23. You're young. You're still studying, Charlie Copper. What is it? Because I have many friends here. Mariel, it's single. Look. Is very 60. Filipina woman. And Ronalyn as well. Baligya lang. Mariel, baligya. And Mariel, enjoy your vision. And Elena, thank you, Mariel. Yeah. Welcome, viewers. Yeah, hello guys. Elena, me, the only reason I don't really like boats is because I'm scared of the sea animals, but we're gonna be the Mediterranean Sea, so I guess it's fine. Yeah, Elena. And Charlie, no offense, but I can see your friends speak in your phone if you don't mind. Yeah, that there. Oh, Ronalyn and Mariel. Oy, John is here. Charlie Copper, thanks for explaining. Yeah. John is here, Mariel. John is here, Mariel. Oh, he looked for you since yesterday. And hello to all people. Yeah, hello, John. How are you? Good morning, John. Working part-time jobs. So, do you still studying, Charlie, while do part-time job? What is it? And Ronalyn, ha ha ha, baligya. Why you are laughing, Ronalyn? What happened? Ronalyn, why you are laughing? Ba't ka tumawa, Ronalyn? Andyan, hello, Mariel. Yes, and Ronalyn, baligya. Oh, baligya, Ronalyn. Adam Taylor, hi, Adam Taylor. How are you? Hi, Adam Taylor. Ronalyn, kumusta ka na ba, Ronalyn? Nag-aaral ka, Ronalyn? Ang busy mo na ay. Elena, I miss Take It Easy. Yeah, Take It Easy is not here. Elena, he is very busy at work. Oh, he missed Take It Easy, yes. She's very funny. Yeah, actually, Elena, Take It Easy is a man. So, he's very funny, yes. And Charlie Copper, yes, still studying, but I'm independent and Filipino expenses I can handle. Yeah, Charlie Copper, Ronalyn is here. She's 18 years old. What do you think? Oy, Ronalyn, may afam, Charlie Copper. He wants to have a Filipina, girlfriend, Ronalyn. Because Ronalyn is, as well, is very kind. Charlie, and cute. What do you think, Charlie? Ronalyn? She's very funny. Oh. Where are you, Mariel? Hey, Mariel, where are you? Si John. John is here looking for you. John, I don't know. Where is Mariel again? My goodness, Mariel, napakadira. And Elena, Franz driver, are you really here driver? No, Elena. It's just a username. Actually, Parag is from India. Yeah, Elena. And she's looking pretty. Oh, Charlie. Ronalyn is pretty. Charlie, ay, you like Ronalyn? Oy, Ronalyn, maganda ka daw. You're pretty daw, Ronalyn. Na, Charlie Cooper says. And Eagle Fighting, Aka, ate, I have a work. I see you soon po. Okay, Eagle Fighting, take care and have a lovely day ahead, Eagle Fighting. Okay, thank you, Eagle Fighting. If you have them, you can come back here. Hi, Eagle Fighting. Thank you so much. And Elena, oh, okay. Yeah, Elena, Parag is only a France driver. It's only for username. It's only a username. When can I come to Philippines? Yeah, you can come to Philippines anytime, John. But you need to speak to Mariel first, so that you can have conversation, or what is it? Yes. But I don't know where is Mariel. Mariel is here earlier. And Charlie, you're a good friend. Yeah, Charlie. So, what is it? What do you think about Ronalyn, Charlie? She's cute. And Eagle Fighting. Okay, aka ati po. Sige, Eagle Fighting. Take care always and have a lovely day. Take your time there, ha? Thank you, Eagle Fighting. And Mike Piccolo, hello. How are you, Mike Piccolo? How are you today? And Aswang, friend, ma'am, sorry I got really late today to come here, ma'am. It's okay, Aswang. Kumusta? How are you today, Aswang? How is your How is your study there? And John, can I sleep in a hotel? Yeah, what is it? Why not, John? You can talk to Mariel. Where is Mariel? Mariel, napakadira. Asa mas Mariel? Si John, nangiti John. I don't know where is Mariel now. Yeah. And where am I? Charlie Copper. Ronalyn just disappeared, Char. Uy, Ronalyn, are you still there? Charlie Copper is looking for you. And Aswang, it was very tiring today, ma'am, driving car for 20 kilometer. Oh, I see. So where are you now, Aswang? Dipansyo. Oy, Dipansyo is here. Dipansyo is here. Hi, Dipansyo. How are you today? Dr. Wakwak. Time, Dr. Wakwak. And Jersey Flag, mayong hapon host, mayong hapon sa tanan. Jersey, taga sa ka. Mayong hapon sad. Salamat sa pagbisita. And Elena, should we plan the wedding? What is it? Who is wedding, Elena? Who is wedding? And Aswang, Fran, ma'am, actually you seen the video where the guy was talking about Duterte. That guy is very knowledgeable like you, ma'am. He's explained beautifully. Yeah, because Aswang, actually he is what is it? A normal Filipino living in the Philippines, and now he is in the Netherlands right now. And then he always there for supporting Duterte. Yeah, he is always there. And then because there is some Dutch or Netherlands there asking why you are here always. Yeah, asking him. And then that is why he answered the reason why they are there. Yeah, and then I show you what he tell to the people who ask him. And Charlie, give me some relationship advice according to your experience. Oy, Charlie, I cannot give you advice, because I'm single as well. I don't have a relationship, Charlie. Yeah, this is it, Charlie. Yeah, better, Charlie. I can tell you that you need to be responsible person, and loyal, and down to earth, and God fearing as well, and family oriented. Yeah, this is it, Charlie. And Elena, Charlie, and the other girl. You mean Elena, Ronalyn and Charlie. Yeah, I don't know. We talk about that, Elena. We ask them. Jan, is Mariel is single? Yeah, Jan, she is single, Jan. I don't know where is Mariel now, Jan. Mariel is here earlier. I don't know where she is now. And Aswang, what he is A normal Filipino. I thought he was a journalist because he explained it. No, Aswang. He is not a journalist. He is there to to support Duterte. He's not a journalist actually. He's a normal person. Aswang, but there it was written DPRRD. What is that? PRRD, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. It means not DP. PRRD. Ay, Aswang. It means President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. And Elena, why is everyone asking for relationship advice? The only advice I need is school. Yeah, Elena, you're right. Right? Study first before that kind of things, Elena, right? We are in the same boat, Franchinoy. What do you mean, Charlie Cooper? What is it? Aswang, Fran, you're right. And kind honest, very important. Which Scorpion have gotten? What is it, Aswang? And Rinchin is here. Uy, Rinchin. How are you, Rinchin? And Jan, I must go. Yeah, Jan. Take care, Jan. If Mariel is here, I will tell Mariel that you are here, looking here again. Jan. Okay, Jan. See you, Jan. See ya. Take care. And Sunil Hina. Hi, Sunil. Where are you from? Thank you for coming, Sunil. And Aswang Sigbin, how are you? Yeah, Rinchin Jasbin is here. And Dr. Wakwak is here as well. Dipansyo. I don't know where is Dipansyo now. I'm good, bro. Rinchin is dating with his 4 girlfriend. And Charlie, tell me something about Philippines which foreigner doesn't understand easily. What do you mean, Charlie Cooper? Tell me something about Philippines which foreigner doesn't understand easily. Nothing. If you go to Philippines, it's very nice. And you love natures, ocean, or what is that? Beaches or mountains, something like that. There you will enjoy it, Charlie Cooper. And yes, okay, Fran, now I got it because I was confused. Yeah, PRRRD, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Charlie, can I see the video? Netherlands man replying video. What is it, Charlie Cooper? You can ask to Aswang the video. We are the same boat in the boat, Char. And Rinchin, Kuzu Zangpo. What is that? What does it mean, Rinchin? And Charlie's, it was good video, friend. I feel you can also talk about politics like you explain good. But yeah, Aswang, it's not good to explain here in YouTube, right, Aswang? Because the community guidelines on Facebook is not good to talk about politics, right, Aswang? So Rinchin, today very boring day at school. My friend didn't come. Why? Why, Rinchin? Really, you mean the school is boring? Maybe your 4 girlfriend didn't come to you. That is why you feel bored. And Aswang, Charlie, remember about Philippines that Duterte was good for them, not seeing the international news about it. Love Mariel, double tap the screen, guys. Mariel, nangita ni mo si Jan, kay gusto ko na siya maanha ni mo sa Pilipinas. Mawa, masagkagkalit. Oy. Uy, Mariel, gusto siya anhaon ka. Taga Netherlands to si Jan. Ambot Mariel, oy. Aswang, Sigbin, why you were bored? You have 4 girlfriends, you lucky guy. Yes, and he's not interested. He said he will come on Monday. But Jen, you have 4 girlfriends. Maybe that's the reason why you feel bored, because your 4 girlfriends didn't come to you. Abby is here. Hi, Abby. How are you, Abby? Kumusta po? Good. Abby is here. And Aswang, Mariel, hello. Did you not snore today? And Abby, hello. Hello, Abby. How are you, Abby? How are you, brother? And Mariel, naapod bed sis. Oy, doka naman po. Nayabag na dyan ni. Naambot na lang yung Mariel, gusto lagi siya mo na, mga nangutan na siya, kung anha ko no siya nimo, pwede ba daw siya mag-hotel? Na ba daw hotel dapit sa imuha, unsa ba? Ako ginginan, mangutan na sa to ni Mariel. Ano, wa ka. And Abby, hello to all my beautiful people out there. Hi, Abby. How are you? Silo, ate. Kumusta man ka, Silo? Nabusog na ka, day? Unsay man giloto, day? Silo. And Abby, I'm good. And Aswang, Silo, hello. Abby, hi, friend. How are you, Abby? Uy, Abby, why you are not here last night? You are the one, what is it? We're not complete last night because you're not here. Right, Mariel? You're absent. And Mariel, he Aswang George always complains, I snore loud. Nagok ni Mariel. Cielo. And Abby, how are the cuties? Are you kidding? All. And Aswang, what is that? Mariel, yes, that's why I sleep early, Mariel. Hello guys, how are you all? Yes. And Abby, where have you been last night? You are not here. We're not complete. Because actually, Aswang is here last night, Mariel is here, and Parag is here. And who else, guys? Abby, yes, where were you? You were talking a lot to your Mariel. I feel I'm forgetting us. And Mariel, I cannot sleep early as Aswang. And Silo, oh ate, ang palaya sa gulitlog. Uy, kalami anak day, Silo, ganahan ko ana, ang palaya. Butangan itlog. Nalamian mong sudaan. Nalami ka siya sudaan day, Mariel. Si Silo, ang palaya. And Abby, thank you so much for missing me. I'm really happy. Yeah, Abby, we miss you, ha? In the night, you're not here because actually every time at night, we're complete. And Mariel, hello, bro. Yan, Aswang, Abby, yes, we miss you, brother. 5:58 p.m. Lahapit na lasais dira. Alice, hi, Alice. Where have you been, Alice? And Abby, I was feeling low yesterday. Fran, thank you so much, DP. That is why. So what is it, Abby? You sleep early? What is it? And Cielo, walay ang palaya diha, ate? Wala, day. Walay ko andre apaliya naa siguro sa Barcelona, sa Pilipino nga tindahan ba. Pero mahal na kung palit ka. Walay ang palaya. And Mariel, lami na, very healthy, day, Cielo. Mao gani. Ay, kalamian na, uy. Ko ano, ang taong diri Silo, pero dagko kay ang taong, uy, mura siya bel. Dagko lagi sa taong dili para sa tuwa ba. Ang Aswang, Mariel, I feel in evening it must be very beautiful in Lapu-Lapu City. It's a beautiful beach, right? Yeah. Aswang, that is why I tell you, Aswang. The Mariel is very beautiful as well. And Abby, hi Mariel. Oy, pait. Dili man na mo pait Silo kung imo na ko anon ganang pugaan og asin imo naan ba para mawa ang pait. Silo, imo pugaan og asin, kumutan og asin para mawa ang pait. And Aswang, Alice, how are you, cute little sister? Yes, and Abby, no, I never sleep early. Maybe you are talking with Mariel last night, Abby, your girlfriend. And Alice, Aswang. Yeah. And Abby, actually just some bad thoughts sometimes. You see. Yes, we have a beautiful beaches here as well, but I'm tired of going there someplace. And Mariel, I wanna go new places and beaches. Yeah, that is why Aswang, Mariel loves to travel. She want to go to India, Switzerland, Paris. Yeah. Abby, na-miss ko rin kayong lahat. Yeah, we miss you, Abby. We miss you a lot, Abby. And Alice, DP Aswang, read what I'm about to say. And Aswang, Mariel, yeah, you are right. You try new places and show us. Oh, butangan asin first, pait pod. Basta ako magluto, paliya, sis, pait pa sa kinabuhi. Buang manis Mariel nga no, man Mariel. pait pa sa kinabuhi. Boing, mas mari. And Abi, Mariel, in my religion, all majestic mountains, waterfalls, and beautiful valleys. Ay, is in East India, ano, Abi, it's very nice there. Day, nindot daw ila ko an, Mariel, o, Abi, og silo, nindot daw sila ka. Yeah, more nindot yun na din na dapita. Aswang, Fran, but Cebu City is a big compared to Lapu-Lapu, right? Yes, you are right, Aswang. Yeah. But actually, it's, ano, Aswang, because it's only a bridge. Yeah, it's a short bridge, Aswang. Unlike Bohol, Aswang, but it's very far than Lapu-Lapu. Yeah. And Aswang, Mariel, do you want to go to Paris? Diwata, Paris, Aswang? And Dabi's Napi, my daughter got admitted in Quezon Hospital due to food poisoning. She was crying so bad in food. Uy, what happened, Abi? Maybe she ate something bad. The daughter of your girlfriend, Mariel. Ma'am Sheila Basso, hello. Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you today, ma'am? Ma'am Sheila Basso. And Mariel, basintiguang na nga paliya, sis. No, maopait. Dili, oy. Kumuta na ni mag asin, kaduha, para mawagid ang pait, Mariel. Nagahuman imo na din lutoon, gisahon. And Aswang, Abi, oh, sad to hear that. Is she good now? Yeah, how is it, Abi? The daughter of your girlfriend. Ma'am Sheila Basu, hello, Aswang, how are you all? Yeah, we're good. Ma'am, how about you, Ma'am Sheila Basu? How are you today? And hi, 6 viewers, yes, in our East India. I think it's very beautiful there, Abi, right? Your place. Maybe we hope one day we can visit there with Mariel, right? Day Mariel and Silo. And at least alcohol is potentially addictive, can cause intoxication. Yeah. Yes. It's beautiful. Good news. Monsoon is here finally. So what is it, Ma'am Sheila? It's not hot now. Right? And at least low water resistance. At least, thank you, Ma'am. I will take care of me. And Mariel, yes, as long I want to go Europe, Paris, France someday. Yeah. You can go there, Mariel, of course. Soon. Hikaru is from from France. Hikaru. And Abi, yes, DP, she is good now. She is ER home. She is our home resting. I see. That is nice. Abi, it's a good news that her daughter is already good. It's okay. And Mariel, we need to save money and be successful in our vlogs as well. Yeah, you're right, Mariel. But I agree. And Makmak, oh my goodness, way you talk. Hi, Makmak. Where are you from? Thank you for coming. Makmak, yes. And Alice, DPS Wang, thank you, because smoking and drinking can make you have cancer. And Ma'am Sheila Basu, how many here are you from India? Na, ma'am, most of my viewers here is from India, ma'am. Most people is from India. And Cielo, yes, ate. Yes, day, day. Magluto ka, kaliya, day, komote, o asin, day, kaduka. Para makuan dyan siya ba, mawag tangang pait. And random, Mariel, I show you around. Yes. And Aswang Fran, yeah, East India is beautiful but very underrated. Actually, many foreigners travel to Kapita, which is not good. Like many had bad experience. Northeast India is beautiful. Is it Aswang? Love Mariel, hello, random. And Aswang Alice, but I don't do such things. I am super guy. In my region, you will confuse to look at the people. All look Asians like Filipino. Is it, Abi? Yeah, because you, Abi, it looks like Filipino as well. But I can see you, there is a Indian. Yeah, the face have an Indian features, right? But yeah, you look Filipino as well. And Mac, I'm New York. How old are you, Mac? Thank you for coming here, Mac from New York. And Ma'am Sheila Basu, okay, nice to hear that. Yeah, ma'am, many Indian here, ma'am. From India. Different states. And there is many from Kolkata here as well. Ma'am, have you had your What time is it there? I think it's dinner time there or lunch. What is it? And Makmak, I'm going nice and slow. I want to last. And si Luzon ati adto ko sa India. Uy, aswang. Si Lo want go to India. She said that soon I wanna go to India. Aswang. Abi, you're right, Makmak. I'm going slow. Yeah, Makmak. How old are you? Can I ask your age, Mak? And Abi, yes. Sheila Baso, it is quite cold today. Ma'am, it's very nice there, ma'am. Here is very hot. I don't like it. Ma'am Sheila Baso. An aswang friend, but if you say you are Indian, people will believe you. Me, if I tell that I am Indian? Really, aswang? But the way I talk, aswang, it's not sounds like Indian because when Indians speak English, there is a tone, right? Aswang? Just had lunch. What do you have for lunch, ma'am? Ma'am Sheila Baso. And Ryan Henry, hello, how are you? Hi, Ryan. I'm good. How about you? How are you today, Ryan? And Abby, DP, so what is that? Bro, hello to everyone. Hi, Ryan. How are you? And Mariel, guys, I need whole body massage. Nga naman, guys, sakit mo lang. Sakit mo lawas, Mariel. Makmak, oh my goodness, yeah. Yeah, what is it, Makmak? And Ma'am Sheila Baso, we have tea at 7 p.m. I see, ma'am. Yeah, tea is nice for the health. My body is so ho. Hoy, aswang, do you know how to massage? Mariel need massage. Makmak 25. You're 25, Makmak. So you still studying, Makmak? What is it? And Abby, make plans and you're all invited to my region. I will arrange a tour for everyone. Yeah, Abby, I hope we can visit there with Cielo, Mariel, and Aswang, and everyone, your friends here. Yeah, Abby, we would love to visit you there. And Cielo, Indiana Jones are like that movie, Indiana Jones. It's very beautiful. And Aswang, Cielo, really, please come. First, let me complete my study, then you can travel with Aswang in India. And Mariel, how old are you guys? Yeah, how old are you guys? Mariel is asking. And Aswang, what the hell, Brandy? She's talking about Indiana to meet her afam. No, DP, Aswang, Cielo means Indiana, because in the Philippines, if you are a woman, if you are from India and you are a woman, we called Indiana. And if you are a man, we called Indiano. Aswang. So, masculine and feminine. Aswang. That is why Cielo says Indiana, because she said Indiana. So, she go to India. She's Indiana. And Ryan, Maria, how are you? Yeah. Abby, that would be nice. Hopefully we meet each other. Yes. And I'm fine. You guys. Hello, Ryan Henry. Look for us, Abby. Maybe yes, Mariel, if we go to their to his home. And Aswang, Mariel, yes, Aswang, the really good massage. Mariel, call me anytime. And also today we bought some vegetables, some mixed vegetables, curry rice with fish and vegetable fry. Wow, it sounds like it's very delicious, Ma'am Sheila Baso. Your food, Ma'am, is very delicious, as always. And Mariel, we want to try Indian food. Yes, right, Mariel? Me too, I would love to try the Indian food. Ryan Henry, where are you from? Love, Mariel. And Dobby Snuffy, Fran, just search in Google. We Saudong Waterfalls. It's just 3 hours from place. Let me see. What is that the name? We Saudong. It sounds like it's Abby. It sounds like Chinese. Si Saudong. Yeah, laday ninduta day Mariel, si Saudong waterfalls is very beautiful. Yes, Abby, it's very beautiful. The waterfalls. We Saudong. It's nice. I really love it. It's very interesting. Yes, please, Aswang. I really need it. I am tired. Oh, I got it. Oi, John. Mariel is here. Hey, Mariel. John is here. Mariel charge 1,000 pesos for 1 hour. It's very expensive, the massage. Aswang. Mariel, yes, Mariel's love too. Aswang, extra service, happy ending. Aswang, virgin guy. Mariel, you funny lady, but happy ending, 1,000 extra pesos. Just again, nindot bitaw de Mariel, ang we Saudong. Uy, Mariel, si Kuan, si John is here. John, hi, John. Yes, John, Mariel is here. How are you, my dear? Yeah, I was going to give massage, but this January came into ruin the party. What is it? Aswang? Ma'am Sheila Baso, no other dish can beat traditional Indian food here from me, especially if you are Bengali. I think, ma'am, no, you are a good cooker. Your food is very delicious. Yeah. I wish, ma'am, I can visit you, Ma'am Sheila Baso, one day, right? And Mariel, John, are you coming to Cebu? John, are you still there? Mariel is asking you. And Aswang Abi, do you know I posted on my Insta story about Kakuchang waterfall? What is it? Kakuchang, Aswang? It's in Assam, right? Asa daw? What is the name of Aswang? Kakuchang? Kakuchang. Kakuchang. Waterfalls? Kakuchang. It's very nice as well, Aswang, the Kakuchang. Yeah, you are right, in Assam. But the we Saudong, Aswang, it looks very, what is it? When? I'm here, John, waiting for you. Ha, ha, ha. Oy, John, Mariel is waiting for you. Anytime, come meet me. Yes. Yeah, John, because you asking earlier that if you go there, you can stay in the hotel, right? What is it? Yes, my mother had a magic in her cooking. Wow. So you got the talent, ma'am, to your mom. So that is why you are good at cooking as well, Ma'am Sheila Baso. And give me her number. John, I don't have the number. You can ask the John, the social media of Mariel. Yeah, so that you can talk with each other. And Ma'am Sheila Basto, maybe, yeah, ma'am, I would love to visit you one day, and then, yeah, I hope you can cook. You can cook as us, ma'am, if we visit you. I think it's very enjoy. We enjoy a lot, right? And Aswang, Abi, yes, right? And Abi, bro, please tag me. I will love to check it out. What is it, Abi? The waterfalls? Yeah, it's very nice, the Kakuchang, but my bet, for me, Aswang, for me, I love the weed. What is that? Abi, your waterfalls there? We Saudong. Yeah, my bet is we Saudong. Because there is like there is many just like in Hagdang Kalayan, Aswang. And you can email me, John, and I will give you my WhatsApp number there. Yeah, John, what do you think, John? You can what do you think, Mariel? Sure, I would love to. Thank you, Ma'am Sheila Baso. One day, ma'am, I hope, yeah, we can visit you there in Kolkata. And Jan, what do you think, Mariel? Abi, also search PP Falls. What is that? Abi, PP Falls. Let me see. PP Falls. Yeah, it's nice as well. Abi, but my bet, Abi, is the we Saudong. Is very beautiful. But yeah, it's nice as well. The people is like the what kakachong. What is it? Kakuchong, kakuchang. Is it safe? No, right? Silo, oh. Silo as well, oh. Bet. Her bet is we saudong. We are the same. We love the we saudong. It's nice. And Mariel, I'm single, 30 years old. Ha ha ha. Yeah, she's single, ano, Jan. And Fran, if I have to tell about India, so India in south have two neighbors, Sri Lanka and Maldives. The north, Pakistan, and then China in northeast, Bangladesh and Myanmar is. Yeah, Aswang, the Maldives is nice as well. The beach there, it's nice. And Jan, I am 50 years old. Yeah. Yeah, Mariel, naraba siya yalab Mariel, na siya yalab og koan. Kana siya ba gusto siya maminyo. Mariel. And Ma'am Sheila Baso, have you tried French fries? My son makes it very well. He also cook with some. Oy, Ma'am, that one, Ma'am, is my favorite. You know, French fries is my favorite. So Rick cook that fries. I see. And Mariel, hello 11 viewers. Yeah, hello guys. And Mariel, oh, nice age. Jan, marry me. Age is just a number. Actually, Jan, is good, right? Because Mariel is 31 and you are 50. So, yeah. Yeah, age is just a number. You're right. It's nice. You can email me, Jan. Ate Mariel. What is that, Silo? Oy, ay Silo, makaadto na si Mariel sa kuan, Snow. Silo. Sa Netherlands. Nindot biya sa Netherlands ay. Taga Rotterdam na si Jan. Si Jan is from Rotterdam. Ate Mariel will see. Email you, okay? Yeah, Jan, you can contact to Mariel, ha? You can email her. And Rans, which natural place you love the most? Like any beaches or waterfall? For me, Aswang. Actually, Aswang, I am not a fan of swimming. But I love the beach as well, but I don't like it. It's hot. But maybe I will prepare the waterfalls, because waterfalls is it's cold, and then it's not very hot, I think, because there are many trees, right? So yeah. And Silo, guapa sa, yeah, and very sexy. Silo, right, Mariel? It's very sexy as well. And Mariel, cool. Wow, I wanna go. And that's one Mariel, nice. I will not be coming for massage. You go with massage me, Aswang, please. Ay. Uy, what time is it now, guys? Because I will cook now. Uy, alas 12 na. But I will come back, guys. Of course. Fran, what is it? Waterfall, yes, there is a waterfall here, but I never been to waterfall, yes. And Mariel, I want Swedish massage. Oh, and Abby DP. Abby, hello, hello. And Abby, Mariel, I will need your help in Cebu. Yeah. Yeah, Abby, of course, Mariel, you, if you go to Cebu soon. And kung lunch na ba? And Abby, please do help me. Yes, it will say Selo. I don't give Swedish massage. You can ask to Victor for it. Yeah, because Victor is on Sweden. Yeah, sure, Abby. And Mom Sheila Basos, yes, I told him not to buy me such an expensive phone, but just a normal phone will do, but he didn't listen. Yeah, Mom, because Rick is such a lovely son. He loves you. So that is why, Mom, because you are what is this? The most mother in this world for him. Yeah, that is why, Ma'am Sheila Baso, because you are precious to him. And Mariel, I will be here when you come. We will do vlog together. Yes. And Abby, I need to plan our visit in Cebu, and you are the best person. Yeah, Abby, Mariel is there. You can email me, guys. Yes, what is it? Oy, Abby, take the Mariel's email because you can you can contact her by the email and then you can ask the number of Mariel. Yes, I will mail you, Mariel. Salamat po. Aswang, Fran, you talk so sweet. Yeah, Rick is good, son. Yeah, Aswang. Yeah, the son of Mom, he is very kind and sweet. Yeah. And Mariel, yes, just let me know which places you wanna go. Abi, Carbon Market. Ngano mo man dado sa buang manis Mariel. Ay, dado niya sa Carbon. Uy, pero ang Carbon nindot na ba Mariel, nindot na ba? And Shepherd, good to see you, Chinoy. Hi, how are you today, Shepherd? Hi to you. And Ma'am Sheila Baso, yes, I saw on the internet, the phone is around 61,000 rupees. Yeah, it's very expensive, ma'am. Your phone, the Vivo. And Shepherd, how is your day today? I'm good, Shepherd. How about you? How are you today? But Fran is also good, daughter. Thank you. And Mariel, just kidding, guys. We can eat lechon. Yeah, what is Carbon Market? Is it popular? Yes, Aswang, in Cebu City, Carbon Market is very popular. You can buy many vegetables there, anything. It's very big. And Mariel, I will be your tour guide, Abby and girlfriend. Yes. And Aswang, Mariel, yeah, we know you just fun. We never take you seriously. Uy, guys, it's time for me to go now. I need to cook. But I will come back, guys, later. Yeah, because it's lunchtime. And Ma'am Sheila Baso, my old phone was around 20,000 rupees. But now, ma'am, it's too expensive, ma'am. It's 61. 60, right? Still expensive. Mariel, tomorrow Aswang will be uploading Carbon Market vlogs. Yes, yes, day upload, day. Mananaw me. You can see Carbon Market. Yes. Nice, we will see that video. Yeah, sure, at Mariel still. Yeah. And Riley Griffith, can I see your long hair? Yeah, I tied it. Riley Griffith. So guys, I need to go now, but I will come back soon, guys, later. I will come back later. Okay, guys, I love you all. I will cook now. I'm enjoying talking to all of you. Yeah. But yeah, I will come back, We continue talking. Bye-bye, guys. Love you all, mama. Okay, Ma'am Sheila Baso, bye-bye. Aswang, and Abdi, and Silo. Yeah, Ma'am Sheila Baso. And Shepherd. Yeah, all of you guys, all, mama. See you later, guys. Take care, yeah. You too. Thank you.